Dada, sister in Chadia or Papa in Tea. Ah, but the Faber Macatachi, I be seen so de piano, or Municipal. The bidding panel or ye did win ye didn't come win ye. Ade, media, Salo, Sally, by them, shall go. I guess that's some affairs, what? Now, what's it them? I'm going to see Motobu, ask back a correct. Oh, let me go. There be part to quite you more on any court. There been a party called no carbon tender. And ye. Cobum no caution. Sir, Winnie Bema. Uhim. There been a Jessica, what has a mini Bemada? Young Jennifer. What come on, actually? Oh, there be all not quite. Mamma, what I say, poor Chuchadiana, just a watch and a song here, Bema. Oh, Chaya, also swat. What's all oh, me didn't bet you, see. Then I should do 10 crumb as well. Then what? And Master Boom, boom, yeah, or tell me so. I'll go here. Beman, a Beman, my young for. Oh, no. What's your yes? Auntie say no kure. Oh sir. Mama me. No madam. Oh dem me nai. Ana he dey. Na me hwe TV series. Honey. Be hwe. Oba na ma me ni nkan won ko. Wo hwe TV series. Wo be hwe. La gata na se mazipu. La gata na mazipu. Oh, any movie. Aboti sampa de NIPA TV. Wo be hwe. Ma me na so no won ko. The person me say. And let's see. I mean, let's have a baby. You make it set up in your eye. I'll tell me so. I'll protect her. Okay, yeah. And let's see. Tourists. Sir? Over Saturday. And a Saturday. And not just like you can walk. I'm a tourist. Just at least one brother. Hey, Mo, I go. Show a bit kitty. And Tibra. So what you say? I will go late. And the 1 year confirm me move ye dear what you cry and try it and can tell. Can tell. And I got him for the food. And the woman snap the shoe of you. Would you know what that? You need it not no wonder. Yes, sir. When you home to Motobu. As one owner service machines. What boy read the man? And I give this sim a bench shoe of fear. No, we need this sim man. What do we read here? And you to never walk of master. I want my answer. To say, I say. Nesisia me ba no me wone ma wana me ba pat me wone ma wana die ku me kura bra se abrantie efri ya national kwwa ho anyoma wo be hunu no die efri di yemo ba bra me se die kokko ba yi wo apie bia fertilizer mu ya krati me peno tutu e be so fifia maso opanyi ya no na se na am asan 27 you ain't a memory. Oh, what the quarter. Ah, you and ma, I'm not very so. Oh, when you Yarodi, well, won't see if you open your phone in the gym. And this is about sitting in one year. Ya to win ye, ya do come win ye, bibia win ye. Won have a fra. Bibia won pobu suen. Ti e den abias, ya to ti wura. And anche kwa na otu mi. Over fia one day. Na sa, ade ya. Wo ba ti wura. As my penny free primacy for up to willing capital for one ounce a day. Oh, minimum took by the chair. Oh, also. I know a hippopotamus. If I talk, and young trap and young tia. Cano, as some friends of women now. If you have got Tetia, about the hole. You never tell. For you will not free demo hole. No peer, every year. About the hole. The young meeting penny sometimes. What I call. And now, Typical time. Sissy more dear to so bad about Bonka in here. I see and say, Nakoba. Ah, was you want to Robert? Yes, no go. But who's a miniature, Minipa pay, I said, them ya Julia home. You're not a group, you bet you do cuckoo. Someone to blow, said you been a yasho or demo. If you're going, no one son now take case, Crabo. Beman a cock, what it? Yabuno. So, no papa. Frau Tinzel was like a motor. But I dear for the cannon. She tethered the senior. Wahoo. Pop.
Catch Papa, you call you never feel. What have you moved like a while? Huh? What have you moved and that one? What's that? Huh? What's that? What kind of nonsense is that? No respect. Oh, yes, I tell you. Come on. What's that about? What's that with a small boy? Huh? You want to split it like this? Oh, throw it away. Maybe I will. We just get that kind of a chick of it, chick of it, chick of it. Chick of it. How can I say anything?
Odomina mi doni bie, opemina mi peni bie, odono modro.
Sorry. Are you okay?
Hey. Please, stop this. I don't like it. And do me a favor. Don't ever step foot here again.
What is going on?
What? What did they take me for? I don't catch on with what told me. I won't hear me. Read my lips. It is over. It is over. Please, stay away from me. Okay? Stay away from me.
No. And what's that supposed to mean?
Go home and ask that stupid uncle of yours and then your mother. If you know who's a man who offer for champagne and not I don't know what anybody or what. How dare he? Officer, your family people. That's not easy. Go home and tell that to your mother and your uncle.
I'm sorry.
How dare them?
I'm sorry.
If they took it easy with me, embarrassing me all over the place.
So right now, what do you want me to do?
What do I want you to do?
What do you want me to do?
Go home and don't ever step foot here again. Before I start embarrassing you, I am a Jew. Oh.
Sorry. I don't know before you. Huh? Oh, my just was that.
Me pasa. Makuma ne tiaso ne de. Makuma ne tiaso ne de. Mi pa no ba odi mo sem na o se me ka che no me ba me ka nchaw. Me ba am betre mi su na man ka nchaw.
O be ka che me. But o ba no nyanto wase na ne ke kan ye. It was a bibie ne nyanto wase na ne ka ne bia e boko.
To wase ne de bia ma de busia fo fa mi nye konko o. Sandra
Nanswa nantiasie, ajantiasie, busuantiasie, enti wapala. Fisa wadomina mi doni bie, pemina mi peni bie, edonu modru.
Stop it. But you're okay. Na me senior man e wi ho. Na my see to come dem me Nkansah. Think I may be just can makwa kodi bia ne papa se ne kondo kotodwen kwan. Kan person can be just kana me kodi dwana ene me popo ne kwa na e ka tu. Minibi. Me se minibi. So papa se ne kondo kotodwen kwan a kono wo kodi sika ne be no na. What? Sewa. Wo ka se ma jimi wo. Ana papa obi. Motifia mo ka se ma jimi wo. Minibi. I stop at. Se mini fi be sisame. Eye wo na nyame adom wo nsako wa no ma bisu obusuan. He! Sewa. Mimi se jimi form an sewa. Who said no? Who said no? Man, come. Who said no? For
Hey, I know how to come on, son. Because I was here to bring one.
who bet you on 1 minute?
Oh, what got that? But who was soon here?
Say how. But if you know, would it be? I'm set me for my heart.
Oh, family, I do it some. Say my answer.
Somebody the power suits one here in this one. What's that guy? Election for two show. I bet you have a chap on one. When is one yet you see that?
C'est pas true. Patricia. Debasem. Hein? Ah, that's on the house, mammy, and cabin shema. Muso togi. And you know,
so very fufu. And you could drink wine. Into a disca. I've been wedding and I'm so proud of a disca.
Patricia. Nanti wo fasi ma midi foro ko to je kwa iska mamia. Boni be ne wom. We drink kampo na man ka kan tempo na wa pimpo. Na ko to jika kai.
Omwadi o.
Ha? 3 city 4 city.
Ofe. Efi na ko misika na me de yaro. So what? Dia papa na madwene mo chi. Akola wo nsu wadi.
Patricia wo fa na me. Asa ti mitia me.
She.
Vendas.
Mesi oso wo no ko ade ni ye kahire. E bo soa. Na
Mini problem bia. Ha? Patricia tie me. Unu babia. Kanyi babia ti jansa na wo ba. Pati.
Yo.
Na bofa na ade. Nansen o ma me kan wasem ntino. Ofa abufa shoko na bia bu afom na.
Ofa dia sa na me na me kan ya wo fo.
Jana mo.
E die ba asam na me ni kan ya wo fo na so amemu. Ofa me srew.
Unu kai.
Ene ya babia ya kikire boa no.
E ho na
So ye sane no.
Mo piaf.
Wonim sa me pe wasam pa eni na chi.
Enu
Eni na chi.
Pa tie me.
Na asare ne de wuchi mu ne betene ya pe. Ono ana me ni be wo. E da wanim hwia kai.
Tu furu ancha o pa ancha. Ye de opa na be yo me ka kire wo. Abuhia nye de pe ne ye. Ye toto adwin se ya ye di so. Oh, but of be ma ne mo. O ma me so won pe. Si na de ya na wo ye. O ma tu sa na.
Ono ti na me so me ka kire wo se ba bi e kikire boa no pa ne sane na.
Me ka kire ba ma no. Wo ma ne anwa ne kire me ka kire wo.
Wa ma ware no.
Ba ma no be jan.
Enye no.
Du be jan me ka kire.
Enye no kure.
Ba ma me be.
Ti mu ni betene ya pa sorry ana me ware.
Ware me be.
Ware no. Be ma se trika. Wo hu no ba bai. Eti be ma wo ho no hu se on ti mi hwe wa wo hu.
Se wa ko ta dwo ho.
Me ma bebre ba ni na ma bonti su e.
Wa hu bi.
Be ma ni hinu bu yukumo Asante time. Asamoah chire brush e de kwate tentin time. Asamoah. Na be ye. Opa. Ni nya ne net ni meja ni chire.
Be ya o gbe se na nyini. Be ma je o bia se na fi. Asa wa kwa mi.
Achechira kwa jere. Na we kwa chichire di ko jira wa mo stress na ye fo.
O be se nya kwa iwan. Ma na ntia.
Na so ye.
Ha mi dai.
Me de pe bibi ko mi ye na jere ya tete. O sorry anu wa ye gofe wa ye shepe na wonam. Se ye tua me kana me dia bro na de toton tade no na wo pe. O mpene. Wo be pene. Sa. Wo se wa me ka asma cho. Me na nya wo first and last. So wonnim na be se me de so ba gisika bia bia wo hu. Na bo wasumbia.
Ajantiasie, busiantiasie, enti wa pala. Visa wa domina mi doni bie, pemina mi peni bie, e donu mu Oduro.
I didn't know why this is. The beginning of my meeting was as the way team fitting up on the sun. This is the day was.
Pat la ya.
Pat. Wow, Pat.
Sabawana zimefika.
Again, no open and to how in Tiatia, no yaka desa.
And you my waist now. The years I'm finding my brand new. I never me then you feel at the other media party na me go up na shaba. The person party yes. What I say? Because bra at the end someone me ma me no for the year me. And then someone who say catch him feel no. Say mama kola no answer ni baby answer baby. I don't know what to make poison. I'm telling you. Because Colana quiet say, on the Kuku. Let me see. Why, yes, I can say I'm not a Safi. The Ono by ice water, sachet water, use Kulana, or no, what I say. Enjoy me say, me as my father say, sugar sister will say, sugar mommy, then I make you free now. So what I say. And it's a minimum, you be beaten up nigger and Tamar and tear. Girl, on my new gun. Because we need. And come rain now. So we will papa be a me, and I'm sickly, and I'm you feel or rooms are fine. But me, they say, you would know, so maybe so cry out the cat. And your mom said, me, shall I need you probably a man or one and sponsor. So it is a nickel in your grand see the castle. I am a pedal, young Waris, your neighbor. One crowd again. So, na mimi jana Australia, no cousin zama pia Australia. To pia Australia o pama chosa di mseme sele. Hono obi atumze okay, minya betre mana na mention kakra. Na o plan bi ma mini one country do for bia be okay. Plan sese. I fa ma tuma sem ne ono na warrior ne ya di no plan. It's been already mentioned. I see no senior kind. Who's that? Because I'm my fellow Ghanaian. So plan there. I do
oh, man. So money now because my highlight. What will you say? Anyone could. Was we could do the horse ones. And if you are of what you are missing, it's we so plan the mawa. But it was maybe the people every day. Yes, zero. It's my source of being more common and therefore, we need to be full not profile. Say, sorry.
It's a plan. There are some what kind of see you, man. You know, you can, as I'm crying outside the crowd, wow, of the country. What can I say? There is someone else on the country.
Oh, you never found you. Sometimes you was not saying you go over the Talis in glasses. The
I mean, maybe
doing a sell.
Flower and your body. And Penisa Tibusa, the mouth ready. If we die, would they be my bed chairman? Monkey civic. But me who be many. Me who you I be singing when I over this. And made me so say, Belman, would you say, what would you say, what dog now? Or wow, above wow. Oh, for some intimate trust of him about even two. Who say more can't, then when we hear him, offer. The same patch or I. Or be worry me. But we are sure. Would you be? If I were fascinating, maybe woman make country. Be worry me. She said, I didn't hear few one as I wouldn't buy over time. But I am a Bible here. I mean, the country, I remember myself, you, yet the only two soon. So I remember in answer. To me, the offer, many men knew. And me my baby hold down any diagroko. Baby, we need a young go. Tina Togo say, no men can deport me at Tinipas. If you can cry one, let baby who will be a catcher, son of her would say, for baby give you a jabba. Patricia, who visit Nippon and be beaten out on a can, or Kumawood can. Now, Beman, you fully offer. What fascinating? So, what don't me? Baby, I'm a woman. Aircon. I want to also do it now. I wouldn't buy what time it is. Media. We saw a Kumawood offer. Meeting a common friend from Kotuberi. Waka Mati. Metawich. The media. Time metawich. They hear me in a metatra. Kakran media. And no, Asa. I remember my mouth. Media.
Pat. I know Kobe General Dean's are. Huh? I don't know how. Catch me.
Say, no, me brother.
Brother? Why then?
Say, Joe, higher drinks are woofy. See, Nkamipis Kakrananka. The Amano Nadio de Bayano, why Nkansah and what way. So, you walk where I'm a first one, Miss Canadian man.
Pat, come on, to you. Oh, Juma won't miss in the Juma City. So, we hear Sky idea. And one is a which let take a cover. Me guarantee, mom. Oh, baby, Johnny, me guarantee, mom. Yes.
So, are you sure?
I am more than sure. I mean it. Yes. Okay, to let take a bra. Now I am Falco. Maybe any more me alone. What? But don't say make a was. We need your home catch us several times. I didn't want to see mom. My name is Kao Petty. My scabin our permit me for mom. Today I will change to Cecilia.
Thank you, sir.
What you saying?
Okay, sir.
Good. What did you?
I told him.
Let's go for it.
Listen, this is the number you asked for.
Right number. Pat, the board has approved the application. Yes. And this is a check. $30,000. But hey, one thing.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Sir, thank you.
But for one thing, you need to pay this money back at a stipulated time.
Sir, I will. Thank you. I know it's your handiwork. Thank you.
Well, the committee appreciates your effort. Getting in the agenda so it's secured up. Not in the shop, madam.
God bless you, sir.
Wow. Lunchtime, everything.
Sir, I have a little typing to do, so when I'm done, I'll let you know.
Okay.
Thank you. Sir, God bless you.
I catch yourself. I make you know how now, Papa. Oh, for now, maybe I'm serious. But it's a water fruit I have no about. There's some attachment. Which one? No. 30,000 cities.
I need you to travel out of Ghana.
No, listen. I understand. Before we even get that point, where did you get this money from?
I took a loan from the office.
How much is your salary? Who's any other man wants your memo of 30,000 cities?
I will pay. My manager helped me to get it. What's your problem?
Oh my goodness. Whoa! No, but I just can't believe this.
Don't worry. Okay?
Wow.
It's yours. I want you to look for a connection now who can help you travel outside.
I mean, who do I know in this town? It all depends on you, baby. For me, eh?
Okay, I have a friend then. There was this man who helped his brother to travel, blah, blah, blah. I'll find out if he can help you as well. Okay?
Please do that. Yeah.
I love you.
But I need to go then.
Hey, you know it's my breakfast.
Of course. Okay. Oh, by me, I'm a from by don't go. Go.
So how's the arrangement so far?
Everything is in the pipeline. Okay. And he will leave very soon.
But look, I just hope you know what you're doing, because this is a bold step you're taking.
Jenny, do you think I don't know what I'm doing? Moreover, Asari will never deceive me. I know him and I trust him.
But this guy is traveling outside. He will go and meet all these beautiful girls. Look, I
You worry yourself.
I foresee this thing happen.
Hello. He's leaving next week Friday.
What?
So I'm organizing a party on Thursday. Are you coming? Sweetie, you have to be happy for me. Are you jealous?
No.
Hello. What's this here? Never made for actually. Because I want dinner.
Never choking after.
I want dinner back. Where are you? Me no like so. Where are you doing? Na me kwa me ka se na kire o. Me si ye dua no papa ko jin frɛ kakraba. Papa wo nya bibie dia no min. Wo nya.
But I'm saying, oh, come away if you want this country.
Enti.
Ti, man, worry.
Pat.
Mommy.
Pat.
Mommy.
Pat.
Mommy.
Agora we started time. Yes, when you share. Huh? Enti dia ya show we do Pat. So what was so kra na ye dey? Huh? Dia ya show we do Pat. What was so na ye dey? And so dia no. Unim so papa yare. Sisi aduane be no obedi no afa nunu. Ah?
Man.
I shall see Frida na. We are please. We are what you said the bema me mani agye. O fama. Sisi amen so. Me sika me won. Me boaboa no. E bia ye di hia. Eh. Enti free na kura idie. Mu wa konchirim. So Pat, dia wo penti na se yeya wa wofo ne ya yedi kan wo wiase ye hu se ede wo be kogwo ma na ntine ye nwoya no saa wo skoto ya abrantia na ka wonyi ma no sa bibi tuntum no tuntum sa dwe na ka wonyi fama no so konkoni o sa yeah. Chama me fama me na who bet me? Yana kakra kro. Hey. Pat should be yo. Pat wiase na da wana na hotra sa o. Should be yo. Hey, all the same. Asa wa down for no. Fanya sapuni bi pa opportunity. What? Kaninya sa sama me. Na mutu wo ho so ana. Ana so sa na ye. Mususu ba no. Someone nam na mo fom mema. Na the mema na. Am go fom mema say. Echie kai. Ah! Enya krama ne chinchiri pedo. Ana don pe na ne ko chinchira no kwa kwatira krama so wani tie. Oh, Pat, me new grandma. Hey, my man,
No, you're taking this thing too far. What's the meaning of that?
This is my family issues. Oh, I handle it the way I want it.
Oh, really?
Are you done?
Yeah, and now you have a Patricia.
No way of what, Patricia. Oh,
it's never a help, Patricia. I hope we are passing the judge and you don't feel no call. Papa can never go to my 2 hours.
Chano, Miss
Patricia. For what's what I had. Oh, then I would your fat. Never know what you. Bama no bio ogotu ye fia. Bama nti o ma bushama tete. O kwa kwa de wan na oko. Ha, tu woni to simbo. Munti na watirim. Wati muhundo nti. So ma mpona no Nkansah mba o si wuja so ako. Wan na hwe no. Me na me hwe ana. Wuti tika ma se bi o ja na mi na me hwe no. Ofa. Na me na mtiti afi. Ofa. Me. Jan manu ko. Me na me catch so you tu front kwa ntia de. Ababo no hwe ye. Nyamu na me kamri ka wati. Ade ba o ayo do na. What?
Now we need fear and a messy or palm.
Now, day.
Now we need fear no bomb.
I know what's in it. I know what's here.
Or from my main comment.
I know it.
Who say a power soon to 12 years? I got to no class or go in this one. What's the man?
Never away. Oh, I'll go back and let Kumba. Sawa them.
Sawa. I have a jam.
A do me. Oh, what a do of a woman. So when you put a yes, what the fine? Confrontation. Which is one. What?
What so you your baby boy? What's it back to do a better word drama? Make what? It's kind of commanded.
Patricia. Jano, Belmont,
Sisa wadomi na mi doni biye, pemi na mi peni biye, ye donu modu.
Mr. Bompaye masa warrior way, and so Chinese Asante Achimake. Sanya sa na ye chabutuo, na wo sembe fia ha. Pat, big door and we are kete to pabua mi buye. And you say, one must you pull it, chairman. Me do ya make a bet siam, and what you do, me do ya me. What do you call? Oh, Akunta.
A dress abrace here. I'm a kind in Sunday. Now, and Penny say, a cow in the mouth here. Now, man, no. Now, Pama, so Pama, you know what they would you need now, you, and so I went tea. Asamoah, so I'm better not as a bad time. No, I can't say one. You're far bound to Mamma and one family. And you're by ye, or you go today. Famous. Well, they could have your mammy. Oh, my baby, I'm saying, I'm a flavor way. About Franco, your pharmacy. And so on the company and the beard. You see how okay, say they're doing money on.
Then you never say, never say,
I contact and every two. Principal, I believe you know, we are me, so better hospital, probably won't do about the every. Madam, what? I can tell you about. Ah, and you are, we said, you know, baby, I said, one was right. Hey, and then I so, and then the other man knocking came here. Concern you close to that for the Bambago, Savannah, and then the other man knocking came here. Astronomers working here, he starts. So, I said, you know, oh, I know what did I come away. Says the one pass. One pass me what? Who's the child? Hey, what people are never did a cheat here. You are bravo and family. What? No, I said, I come in and say, social yes, so what your child will be one. Wouldn't you all? Wouldn't you be all part of Bakudano? Says Papa the pass back. Seven was a month module. What was a month module of women to me? Hey, but when you're treating no party, I want that not about Shimmy. I want to oh, Devin, me the only man ever said how somebody have you ready. I watch actually. Then the sideways, then the backwards me. Yeah, kind.
Eno minundia matie. Eno mawanta kraseno. Na ubiwa. Enti edo ya fasa.
Yes, say, near Unani Sunny in our for the about the first in the new thing from the catcher or Palace or plan here, plan no woman, honest, living money, and Sena or Pescavia Asante. They say, cannot command, no connection man. Namiato oye nkrata ibu figure but kano kakrebi gadash minyana eno na ebo brand ni tine mesro ya means make me be a jaw say you and ya mean ni madwene no e pesa oye na say e bi so ya shop na me koka ho asem fakochi said the beya also bet me start on your own because I'm on the tonight. Take years. I'm in the same school. And in your man. In carrying children, but Marisa, maybe baby free and we see. A Juma will be free. Go. And the envelope in a young son. That's it. And to what aroma? Oh, sorry. That's it. Yankupon Nadi Yananas because the point of fast one won't want me. I'm a minute food. Being an so the papa, but damage. The whole time. Said, I want you now. I want you to one. Hey, wo, I ready my good luck. What did I say? Ha! Baba. Oh my goodness. Oh, I mean, so. Wow. Because when let me see a better but looking at the soap to the snag. Johnny, you. Johnny. What I was and one of Cofabril.
But you need cash away in changes and pay. Check, yeah. And I probably
wow.
Thank you. Patrick, you
say, I say,
what is a mere mobile money now?
Eh, Johnny, no.
Friday. Around 10 o'clock, you should be at the airport.
Oh, when any problem?
Oh, Messi, you know this kind of thing.
Oh, 10
o'clock.
Sorry, I would done. Oh, but I'm a famous reason. Telling me that, see, with your face is sweet.
I contact. Yet, me have a graphic him. What up?
What a passam now, Canada, won't it?
Some would say when she wants, then say, ah, how much have I done? And mentioned as I'm a dozen. Where do I I will tell you, and no more dick and dick. We and dear need, and no answer. Oh, what a quiet cotton. Where do I go? Has it for Modano? Eh, but I want him. Yeah, 2 moons. Yeah, I caught you confessing. I mustn't show to him. Hey, Grisa. Yes, one more boss. So, what are them? In go school.
Ah. Is that me already? I'm not passing in channel.
Can me. Minio. Matuka he, me ko go so dada, me ba na na wotwe.
Ah, fa na nya na ati we.
Ah, metuwa minia. Au ni yati. On sa phone sa fe panyi ofi. Musimu muni pabia. What is the part edin se hu udi nachi. Ana hotel mu ye ne men sa fata che wosi. Mankasa o. Bibo ho on na fifi akọ. Afa me wo fa na me fa sika manko school. Ah, sana ngam ya be. Me me ho school. Wo su ne ni bi na me ho dia ya.
Papa.
Yeah.
Party wo fi ha wo no didi ma ye bi die na nya wa na wo time party ni ama party free ya.
Me ta na ni sa me goro nyonkro wo na suma na ni so.
Right? Ni say alfuchiri ye. E bi de bi achi. Si yankoto aye na wo.
Da bi da.
Wo da so nkoto a je ho na da se be ya.
Ba ba ho so wo hu ha.
E wi ase ni wo bi na wie bi. On sa fe pagi wo fi eye. Fa bu mo de di esen me nyini che. Me wo fa me first time na ma chanda. Ka ka she moto mi. Me wechira. Ko fe mu to bi.
Papa ma miska ko school.
Yeah.
Wo be gina se be ma hwe ye nti wa se da ko bubu na mo sa na.
Tini me ti hwi mu se ba.
Asoma ka che wo sen no. So wa se be agu hwi. Na ni peso ti hwi.
On sa da bubu ne no ma na di mi abubu.
Ah.
So what did you? Me di e pun
pro. Kwa miska ko school papa.
When you send some food dinner home. So what is the war on ma? Yeah. When you say assassin, let's go and make you.
Yeah, some more.
I put that come to young people. Wouldn't be. Uncle Bawadi Bawadi. But continue nearby and to the one, what's in a what here?
When you are a car, I contact. If you will your bass. Son say, Metia, and as well, me idea maba. When you say about friend because school. Oh, so okay, Winzy. I want to read them percent make on Kaka when it's here. So, John Nelson and I will want me stack a can in there. Ya dear boom, my uncle baby, I contact. Fish what in few we be seen them. And then, Mom, I send him. I contaminate Kutamuka cry, said you're there. That's just in bone, yeah. I want that would John Nelson boy who do a man. And Father Jerry, yes, can they think I took when I book beton. As we can't yet. I contact. Don't never cry or so be Benyawa. Ni free. I so TV was a no can say. No man Koboko been to me. What do you now? Men no one knew. I forgot about this issue.
Are you okay? I said, like, are you normal? Like, why do you need man? Look, I can't even believe this.
You can choose to believe it or not. My mind is made up, and it's final.
Do you even trust that guy? Why in the new tuntums and odons have you for more? Look, will you stop what you're doing? This guy doesn't even befit you. What do you even see in him?
Jenny, I've made my decision, and nobody can change that. Moreover, I'm not ready to leave. I love him.
Heart. Look, this guy is going to land you into trouble. Should you go... Will you stop what you're doing? This guy is going to land you into trouble. Should you go against your parents' advice? And that's a good friend. The only thing I can tell you is to leave him.
Leave him?
Yes. Will you stop that? Stop it. Tell me Shiaka. In this hand now, be. I don't know what's going to be.
My check, I'm away again this one. Take one more for the payment price. No, when you may aside. I don't but don't care about India. This when you be sad. More personal, when you I'm a free. If you check for you. How can I sell me to you? Yes, I'm a member who has said it here. More fast. When you did, said you never. And I'm in your beginning, and if anything will attend. Very much right.
They are very sorry. I'm sorry, we're gentlemen. We need to see. Hey! What's going to but when you come in, what you are all with, I'm sorry here.
I silence you to quite. Our crab was any bay. And our crab family bay. I want to go to be any. Catch a part, winning part.
Asylum
plan. Mr. Minion upon the 20 and 5 beans him. Remember, to not many way. More fast than a free thing you. And then bear a salary. Say who are Salia, a room more fast. And into the Maban Pacho. Why, Minacron for 7 years in Pacho. Fenimami, what's it? Nasiaba, Fenima, Fenima, of our Roma. Fenimami, oh, Madame Roma, Asaloha, my friend, when he had. Where judgment has no so too kind. How can you be to my team? Says Abia or far. Namuno be my old to find to me, but open and I driven away. What's such as old to buy a one vocal? Madame Okubakina, and I feel another which mem. We need what talk about me, say Ghana. Wow, they can go. Who will be able to wait in the vocal? When we are people feeling without time and chassis. Or Sankata Mamma, and our Sassing each other to go away. One coming for the awful answer them. They my friend, Mamma. When you have Oduro, slow, sir, Oduro, part of us, my friend, Mamma. Ain't a seller to quite. One cable for Nibia. Mate. Naman trust and say. Bonibian. More for self fear, I walk on you get up by. Yet, check you, once and plan. Officers and in town for them lay. No longer sang unfun uncle. Sanga sent us to Paya. No, hey, yeah. Will you walk as much? Why, that's right. When you are go.
My best at home. Who might be young? Over. What the hell will be? What is when your baby are doing? What the hell will be? But don't you think it is high time I reconcile with them? Me to cry. No, I think when you're comfortable, as a make probably you know my Nkansah, no papa, you know, that is what I'm talking about.
Oh, how too much? Any panoma who say almost time.
I know.
And to reconcile about it.
At least, be awake at it. Say, me too, Nkansah. Definitely, you need somebody to talk to.
Bruh.
Yes.
Wow. Oh, Mama, who say, me, dear Papa, me, Jim, after all, say no man, can't force me cook Chris Caddy and to say about her.
I know, but
almost all the time.
This was a comfort. But to smoke, at least talk to them. You know what I mean? Listen, at least we're there, your blood, they are your family, so.
Family?
Of course.
Family.
I'm telling you, Nkansah, but please, hear me.
Yes. You know, say, my baby home, but on my appreciate.
I know.
Maybe dear Bacopen on Bayamani, or Montiani. And you call them say they are my family?
You know, what else can I say? If you didn't even do it for you, do it for me. What I said, for my sake, beg you. Okay? Please. Baby. That's right.
I'll think about it.
Hey, think about it. It's about 4 years. I said, I want you to just promise me that you talk to them. That's all. You promise? Baby.
Okay.
That's my girl. Come here. You're in town here, God. Hey, sorry.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Yeah, sorry. Salam kan. Apa? Masa. What give it ways now? No boss and never
and I'm moody say, Jennifer, when you're fit for why wanted Natiano?
Me, master. Are
thank you. News I can see to go more. Part over. Ding ding.
Says he.
Was working na pool more fast no. Prince degree. Or come so and it's other bird you go. Go with you.
Or you know, Basino, and as a market na no, part no 12 years old girl. Part will be a bro no as soon a brabono or no open baby asha. Oh, you know, as you be a kidnap on me, Papa, Chow wants some crying come for. Oh, no, sure, you have a penny.
A beer, Jenny baby. Kahana what 10 years in a few who say, Massa, wash how yes, I'll punish you with ya.
Hey, Randy,
brother,
hey,
why wanted not to know? I wanted to guess your past. I hope the witness will be some for no. I thought for bedroom. Part over. Massa.
Fire and I have respect them to more because Akolanzo himself part of me. It was a member respect. Not to say me now we know fire number baby means a kidnap on the back.
Make us when you were
but you were
not a part on your color.
A part or no part of your operating years, more can accept to show you.
They accept now. Tell her how about 10 days tonight, me, move you with what house.
No. Apart from the fact to say, the Grammy crew and already different. And what over me?
How then? Now in the one, most actually,
you know, me, no colors are not Friday. And more bear one and walk off. I'm talking. I don't know if I made a phone calls about you. Great size, very much to a so, really
wonderful life.
Patricia of Brooklyn.
Yahweh, men cannot ton, and cannot know. Question me babremi. Question me babremi that the one make a set, which you won it there, and cinema trim. Say, young one dear, wouldn't be your share. Da, what I know, Prechi, I did what tip and so, but my son and I said, the amusement here. Papa me babremi your young, and how when he said, the yet see our constant shaman, and I tell you, yo.
and I wait on spanner covers. What? No so o kasa bang kasa ni kele ka eye maburu. O fi se me abofra.
Yo.
Asam na bana wo bugu smile. Asam my me so na me nchinchi ba bia.
E na wo chi na ko sin say.
Na ko ba me na di mo. Wai kai. Ba me na ka di man. Ko na wo ye bi. Me chi ba bia no wo de check. Ba me dey.
Say tie bia wo ni be bi.
Ni nyina ba ko fa na ko.
Ka no kura kire ni ka kro de be mama de hye wanu nti. Wo ti mi si kire wo say ka no kura kire no. E na ade wada. Won so wa ba kwala ne ko.
Ni nyina.
Ni nyina. Ni babra bio. Ni nyina. Ko so me kura ko ti o yo. Aduane a wo mpani de a wo pa nyina wo di fra. Stars a wo do de a wo timi ni de a wo timi. Ya ko pa me babra ni wo chiche me. Wo chiche me ko pa me babra.
Ni nyina fi.
Yo.
Sister Miss Jane, Esther Jane. Aba fan mo plan wo ye. Sabro dia pa dim for edible.
Enyo.
Awade no, wo ti ko so wan ma aba. Ma me tia say first sister. Jabe man neti wo ahwe wo onfataw. Kiki ne wadana ba fa wo de him. Wo te len pesa ma wo te won chede bia. Wo pia ne bana ta pia na foro so. Wo so mu ye ya. Wo nye hu hwe, wo menye pneumonia. What? Wo fi shan ko to ega. Ni nyina fi. What? Emma so bo mpacho, emma so bo kura.
Ewia se tie ni trenka. Ye no kire se bontin su ni be fa ko.
Wa ka tia ho. Ape de bebi.
Yo tie bia me ni ku bia. Me pa ma de.
Wo no bata mpati sapatikos ni. Wo ku batikos fani mwasi. Wo ku mo ni mwasi na sasa mo wo. Ape wo hia no.
Wo hia me pa ma de. Me pe se esi ni ye. Enti na me ye ne sa no.
Esta part ko nyina te se me san nyame na wo so na osugu ni.
Ma ba ta ba wo what? Enfiu.
Every me.
Wo sa man ne maso wan sa na man kujala. What's that? I'm always a very wrong. What's your number?
Maybe I was asking Miss One here. What's your
what do you mean? Now, for Landis Esson, what did not be fear? And yes, I knew you, yes, Smithia.
I shall come to so. Say you're going to for
Mr. What do you mean? Mate, never been to what she
Matson who banner Abacata, Memphis, you don't tell me, Mamma. And
I saw the other minutes I want to go see that I make him what's yes. I mean, yeah, the song called a common at the home. A common at the wine. What you don't know about you? And I thought,
now, Sally, I said, what's my forbidden chef in fear? Edward, 2 minutes or when you was it. What can I win at the nipple? Now, blah, let's just send me so part and so with the Bama and Sama. Never you know. Pom for by a chin pom for the money. But put some money pom for Sasalino. Now, soon you may catch no. Every time you send him, like some comes out my mission, my mission, Miss Shattles. Send me show no me. Say, party, I'm afraid I said two. What? When we saw was so kind, me from some money.
Yeah. Oh, we thank God. What? Wow! That's my guy! I've missed you. Yes. What? Don't blame yourself. No, who else do you expect me to love? Sir? It's you, of course. What?
What?
My boss is again. Let's do this.
What is it? No, when you're Jomo, is
Sir, it's my brother.
Your brother?
Yes, sir.
Why then?
He said he has arrived safely.
Oh, wow. Jesus Christ. We thank God. You know what? This calls from mega large. We couldn't hear you, but I wasn't wanting it. But, so. Oh, wow. Pat, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Pat, look, Pat, there's a serious problem, okay? We've got to go to the hospital immediately, okay? Your father is not feeling well. He needs your attention right now. Come on!
If he's sick, so what?
What do you mean by that? Look, I'm not sure you'll be so happy to see your old boy dead. Pat. Pat! Get up and let's go!
Jenny, were you not there when they accused Asari of kidnapping? No, were you not?
Pat, that was then.
So why are you defending him?
This man is seriously sick. Okay. Party. Anyway, where's Asari?
He's in London.
What? You... Anyway, we'll talk about that later, but let's just go, please. Your father, please.
Oh, are you serious?
I'm serious. They're so worried. Please, let's go. Patty, come on. Please, don't do this.
I'm doing this because of the love I have for you.
Okay, thank you. So can we go now?
Please, don't push it.
I am not pushing it. I am begging you. Miss Ghana, please get up and let's go. Just be a little bit slow. Okay, just a little. Miss Ghana. Just hurry up, eh? Please hurry up. Good afternoon.
What I want to say?
Good morning.
Please, that's my father.
Okay. Come on, calm down. You look scary. What's wrong? How?
What is wrong with him?
Your father is not well, as you know. The accident affected his spine. But thank God, he's responding to the treatment rapidly. So you will have to use blood this for
His spine?
Sure.
Are you sure he's going to be okay?
Oh, he'll be fine. Certainly, he'll be fine. I've given him some injections, some treatments, and what have you. So he's resting for a while.
And I'm our father.
I'm feeling for situation. You said what you can be a DJ for the illuminati. And you want that movie on one by a number. What my food feed, Abu, when you don't see what from me, I met what's up, I didn't move over to you know. I don't need money. You feel for my phone, you know. Now we feel the money. I'm somebody. Oh, we have money. And now we're done. Oh, one night as a person say.
For how long do you need to?
Oh, I just want him to rest for a while. But he'll be discharged today. Hopefully somewhere in the evening.
Is there any prescription or?
Definitely, you have to get some drugs from him. I learned you have problems with him. Please, make sure you take it easy with him from this time onwards. Take it easy. Because his condition now will be worrying you, honestly. You get it?
And the only thing you have to do is take it easy.
Moya bro, moyo. Ababa na for what? Eya mo tie yan prayer. Is what tomorrow you give me can I say? I'm talking bro. What? Who just scared say? What?
Part there. Em so me kure bi, e na ma confidence fi sama dra be biase. Me ye kra de, me ti na be ni sama.
No, who me when you see the fed kakapaka. O kan o yesi.
E de ni.
E when you okay.
So your body bi.
What?
Ti ja o mo. She said you could discharge me this evening. Can I sit on my bed?
Oh yeah, you can. But you see the cashier. You give me the bill. Definitely you can.
Thank you, God bless you.
Well, I can see him and...
Papa! Papa! I want to say... Radley, that's something. Papa, where did he? Come down. I got to drink him out. It's serious.
Akonda. Mo den ti abi no. Anu ma wai. Ne da ye eboko. And then say ba.
No so ti say yakro wa ka ye no say
ade. Ya me kasa hu ya. Ba mo dwo ah.
Na panyini dia wonyina dui wa so nim say enu ada be mo ahode. Ye ne kasa bebe afa ne yakwa ha keke ya
me pa kasa piu. Akonta no me fi na. Yakwa ha keke. Ota ye mo de no. No. Hey, you just say.
Hey! No munye. Hey! E proba sufanye. Hey!
Ya ba sa. Right. Kade ba sa. O pe wuni ana wo se o fi akacha mi. Wo so ma kwa sa ba.
No so si fi ha dia.
Wo kan sai.
O so si fi ha.
Wo si fi ha bia mu ja ne de ba ne sai.
Hey!
What can
you kayo? Ya me da boy.
Hey! Ah, break your bush head fine aba.
Party.
Oh, we.
What's up about the two ha?
Aba fa ba tu mu fa mu ntie mu fu obia. Ye kan wo so nyewa.
Me wona me kayo.
Ye se no mo ta kase ni tubo.
Sa?
Tumo.
Party. Me lu mi enu. No fi so. Me so wo ga to me mukro. E ma me ma to ni. So what? Anu na da boy.
Wo si ye le fe nenne. Wo be re cha kwai.
Party! Hi! Wait!
What's in Kuwait? But we what? Now, Papa, and so million money. What's an offer? Me the for me.
Just so what, Ben?
I'm going to wrestling. I have put in a bubble.
Sir?
Who bring it to get Jabaka? 2 for 1 till 1 charity. Wow!
I can't make them kind.
Who sings here? Yeah, kaka.
If you are not the other,
what's an awesome affair?
I know what copy.
Who could form a patch?
So,
my idea, pa. My idea, what? My idea. I want to miss a William, the patch.
There you go. 1 minute, Barbara, 2 young, one bright young man, and 5 no be messy. When young one brother, crop brother, don't send no moody wa hey yo. You took to have brother, don't, and no moody trail. Say, a coach, both, no. Our hospital hono na Julian say no ano no sika o ka say ya de nyina enye ni palet na no ho ayi na chechire ye ba woni ba ho wo ba be hwe nani
agoda me
so wo kwa ye chawo ne na wasa kwaba e be so wa pempemi ha me se me ni omienu kuma se ba hwe ha pat e be chi won sam wo be twa bibi nyuma me so ma to nyom koro
agoda me kan say na we say
enti
ene di enti o na ade enti na yemu sa wo kwaza ade enti o na amunga
wo si mu sa ba never say
kutu wano da e pa cho fire boni che asara ngai
but you the bemechi afu obusua wo si ni woni adu ba wiase waja ho di bemechi
o so sika ya de nyina che wo chia
bema o te osu a wo hwe no no de mandi wo bema
Papa. Under say, no matter what day.
But she can't do anything, you know.
Share.
Can't make any area.
Share.
How can I go? She can't pass a phone to Fondaka. Aye. Never was a minimum on one sound swap. 1 sign away. We want to go for an invitation card. I'm not yes, maybe.
Mr. Who went to match you about 1 minute to them. The mother came and find them.
I go down. When you say, it's a terrible. Every now, a boy. You do I see a young Johnson. Almost about anybody couldn't tell. Almost mobile. Let us say, be unable. And the other thing you I put a young friend said that. What about for money? About Kumawood. What me?
Mo.
Huh?
Mo.
Media. I could tell you to move them back. Why? I am fine. John said, Untimate to soon. Coffee, dear, have I? Oh, yeah, this year. I know my hair about the self. I know my Nkansah said, "Your birth here about your one." Yeah, can attend an idea, lady. The German woman, a German woman, Benende. My Jimmy Lancaster, air condition. I wonder, wonderful. Yeah, fine. Tied in, then. I can tell you, what was it? Said a Moses. Was where I jet the idea and about phone. And Pension said you have a fedja nagu, Staswa. You can't name where the pap. The morning you know that chum. Name Mumbaman. And you hear here. One I could follow in Ajaba. Seven and one woman going out singing your uncle. Sabasa wo about Pachodia, a cabaman. The henna was shame, a chopper.
Papa, and it's my buy. I'm not person me catch you more hospital when I'm my pamoye. The patch over to
what you go find?
Patch your London.
London. Hey, bro. I'll come down there, Opa London. Wiki, can let them to go. Why the way? Huh?
If I told no father, I couldn't in the point.
And then come and say, we should go on so by one car, why I couldn't that? Hey, Okoyami. That's how you put them here. I couldn't send your banner, say no, Mamma of Lending, Kevin Day. I couldn't so quite mother you, so quite French. Yeah, this year now, but any inch of it like it, and then minion and I maybe. You, hey. Monas was sort of monarchy.
Your Bama, you say a town, you. I'm a penny yet. Oh, who may be a Hollandia process. And no, not me, young, soon me jam yanty. I'm a mere quite so no. When I was more what you pay in any idea, I'm free to your crowd. I haven't died. My God, Roger, yourself by you.
What are the documents here?
But you draw a new one. Okay.
I'm just trying to okay, yeah. Really?
Send the customer to.
But what should I do? What was this? No, who can't be the generic? I don't essentially all the testing about around. I'm about to check in your mother. So, when I say, the normal balance here, who's a bad dream? It's me patrol. Can you pay once a month? What's my problem?
Some patrol, we say, be a minimum. To tell me if you should so I don't mind.
I'm preferring to see the enemy. What's in America?
So nipa onyawa bel, so nipa onyawa bel, so nipa onyawa bel.
You see, I don't even know what to say to you. I don't understand. I think I'm at home. I don't understand the reason why she was against that relationship. For Christ's sake, wait now, 30,000 Ghana cedis, the Ashabe man say. Hey, Pat, what's where she bow? Me bow, then me wawaro. You're not even married to him. For Christ's sake, I mean 30,000 cedis, that's huge, you know.
Everything I did was out of love.
And some cry now to her catch him. No pass. Some now to her catch. You did what out of what? Out of what? Could you love me? Now deceive. You didn't even consider your future. You didn't even consider your job. I mean, come on. Now me see here. You cry 30,000. Me won't be that. Me won't be that. Now me see here. 30,000. What time they should be man say? Let's can you boom so? You name the way it is so. As I assume they are money. No, so I do. No, you see.
You know, there is no way I'm going to get this money back. That's why I'm here. What should I do? Jenny.
Are you seriously asking me what you should do?
But you're my friend.
Look, me see here. Within this short period of time, that 30,000 needs to cost over. Me now. What's the name, Nkansah? Come to think of it, you're a woman. We are both two mature people. You can use what you have to get what you want. And yeah, they cry was on my fast.
Then what's that supposed to be?
Wait.
Are you telling me I should sell my body to pay my debt? Hello?
I didn't say that, but if that's how you see it.
Thank you for your advice.
Oh, now it's
even worsening my case. Friendly.
Oh, now you'll see me. Then come 30,000 citizens. If you pull me back, me pull me because we say pull me pull me. Me ban then come 30,000. Hey, Efia, be family.
Ankana meni oyanko brebo amene okona krana ye kan sumsam e cha sumsam bedena minim say enka odobi mami enchi na meni
watch you.
Oh, now what to say?
Oh, yes, sorry. I'm offering
That's it.
Oh, okay. I didn't know.
Me power jumana me see me fana. Me bisa say nya tenenka.
Sorry. Oh, sorry, me tenenka chikaka. Because baby, I want watching the location, you know. I know my mind tenenka. Hey. I try to include baby. One tenenka.
Or call from the first month and you know framing. Now after that we intend to you. So I'm worried.
Returning catch. But and when you name a baby or hormone. Baby how? Oh, sister. So, say baby or my catcher because we are missing a service city. Say baby or hormone. Now the senior Yamea. But they be no work, I say, when your mother may want one meeting case you. It's in strokes to be you or my catcher. I'm you really me. Why?
But you don't
Okay.
That's. But you let me tax drive and train.
Oh, okay. That's right. That and okay. 7 second number no so me free.
Hey, Patricia. I didn't want you part. And I'm best and bad parent. Why ye? Prejudice can't say my back. So I'm from to quite part. Or quite about that part. Hey, ye, Pat. New queen is asking me. So what's the plan? We need to ask him. You never walk. You was new never. I mean, for matters as me never walk. Near my walk.
Something I want to make actually.
Something a day, you kind. Said Pat, then me, 1 year, 1 year, 1 year, where Kuntumpo, Talamani, 1 year, where Kunsu, Meka, 1 year, 1 year. And I, what for them, and I want me, and the day, oh, your near. Even penny for say, a foot on such a NIPA, this I'm sorry. But and quite a day for this cat, nay. Listen, Shabanes go, Patricia. Coffee by. Prejudice cat running million. Interest become 400 million. Hey, what a benga! Nagana by Pobenian has got to moto.
Sisi a bend day. A mamma for no mamma watch me and some interest camera.
Wakura.
The men are cry a kit worthy. To me, who the men yet.
Oh, make I say, Ben may 1 year. We see canty and wapel and what? Ben, what did you my secret one? Member of Fibia, well, Coco Bia, to become a Camabia, I am quite a dear tongue. Will be a do automity. Son of them 80. Oh, no, for the other. What demand your cover change out? Or no, first come and then ever talk to you. And I walk with me.
My shudder.
And Cassiwan shudder that. Eh, shit bomb. And Cassiwan shudder. What? It got insult. What? I would walk for the other. But you are damning. Over a day, what's up? I mean, see,
you know, for I walk for.
Hey, Patricia Frog, come to shut up over there. Propose coming of last year, 20 million. What's the new Niger half? And I can have them bottom and a medicine basin there. I feel Medacateka. You are winning in a Kuran. So now, what simple protection to acquire Sabia? Yanyan Taman. Pedesca told them Gusa. I could tell them a catachy, so Vancouver with him. Why are you what?
I flew into my school fees.
A bottle of cocoa crown. No one was a tear.
For Nkansah one patch. It's not one I'm back at you. I'm a daughter today. I say we are independent out of your father.
Ah, Patricia, made in the queen. What from the top, and why am I minty? The Kaya the Maniajo, Kakao Faji, some Faji, Tequaji, Nina, so many. Now, the way why the Patricia, what Chairman's room was surprising me. Wouldn't know Asante. Name Mumpat. What the Mwasam Papa, will you chop idiot things? What the Mwasam? Hey, Pat,
for my shudder.
Martin, why? Say, we don't talk about it.
Opa, for now, one go pepper say, my man.
Mindy Captain.
Opa.
But the work can be now, Matthias. But meet me. Okay, who said you manager media? I'm only managing it. Until I'll meet him and go beyond that. Intimacy will be great. Meet him more. And moreover, border the work upon the case. Meet him with Piafam. Seriously. Party, Eddie, seriously meeting in the people. My advice on the people on the same. Try to chase it out. Tell me the amount to chase it away.
Lemon, my papa. Yeah, I will share trust. You will be fun to you now. You will never come.
Ofa. Bacho, I can't minute in Komobi.
None come on.
It's a name and Brenas. Say, may the bear man ever cheer.
But I'm so yachaka. And you're the resident here. What even got you say, would it to Manuma? Then pay ye. Miss Basia, oh, my Nkansah. That's me, so funny, mammy. Then more person, women will need never fit. Who try my yabo? Then, yes, sir, sarcasm. We take, okay?
Bacho, Bema now, person worrying. Nam say, the neighbor be cheer.
Sister. Example. And you Bema.
Yeah,
oh, one when I tell him, I know, what would you now? Obey more than him. Bema. How should you go and tell me? More fast if you cut and when I make a sign. And then you send the rest of a frog, Chanamo, and a one. The pennies go food your apostle in a piano. And no better was a tocotocos, and then I bought. Table pass upon us, and you would do in the year, man. What fast when I didn't know more than what I come. Oh, so bad. I wish I say, man. Now, catch myself. Men may raise me with the bay and throw, and then I dare be to Nippon. We will make us a warrior, one cup. Also, I will be to have a time check. No, at that time, what are rich and no. The person in Guassa, where they need to be shame. Break your wish, a person in Guassa. Timesso. Sawa dia obesri wo sira kwesi da be na mo tena kwesi da be na wo twemienu miensa ana bosume enan enu ana afi ana samo nkwa na nyina mo so ntina ma enini so asonti
ofa nini kai ma me fast die ka be ama
ofa isham mami mi de nyame ba mini ba mi pa wo mate tinti mango
Tempo no me buy no waje me feel so na mo kusami say offer
but what would you say
Pacho your friend Asari kumeni
Asari boki Asara mai kumeni
Asari
kumeni ufu kumawu na chobolo
Pacho ne mame yale ya dwene se ye beko ye nimpa ze akamfone bu baby say sasa we fadia or the children
what
na say ne mama de ni yie mu a ye be pese anka brabo ne ye bebo na anka yeso yetimi anyini wo odom amna ye fese de oso mutie eno chese ye pese ye wire akoye ni
yo sister esen ko se ka chene se se fe kumani ofi
ya pese humanity me say akola no kremia na mma no ana metina akwesi ahekura enye me na mewa no obi na beba befa no
unyege
ti dia waye ne kwaso ano no na me pese oka ema masumi enu eti sa na mo asisi omu betu no edi ni da so de bra mo
ana se ewawie pa
ye no na me peti sa da ye tibi ana ye hunu bi da enche ebi dia ye bibi o awe na se bari be ma tuntum to say eni ese ma gu omo so eni me na be ma tuntum bi na te na koma ye wodi ho ye no so be ma tuntum bia ti me pese bi hunu se edi ewie ye pa bi baba
se na ma me se na kwakura ene se awade no ewawie pa ewo future awodati sempa
I'm Pacho Medawasipi. Me a miss and say, if you are said, NIPA Yusu, na otwedi ampon ne ma na ebe mu ye
na me ne ka ebe
na me na ka ebe me ne ma me de the pipe on say you betimi aware akwa awie na nso no kakra ye se ne se mo so mo de mo pipe
abata
I see pipe be ma yeso yetimi
me na ma wade ba so
ye kudro honhom nti anaroma
kaje ni kasa pa buru kuma ni apa unu kasa
wo to de bia kakra ye de ba ma wadi ya na asasa be waton wadwene we ni nimo nimo kasa ni dia wo hene tie dia wo kan ye tie chi na wo kan no obi ka tira so wo pai ba nya pai mo pa ka kwale wo nyine be du sei ama no ho ye na kono ma na be fa
mama es to wasi
me nya me na be wa ma no se tie bia be ma na be ba be fa na ko
aso bi se na bonwa ya nto no
ya tie nsam ni ye no gwakunu mu aye pa
so bi se ya bonwa ku desi da umu de woto
na ye nto wadwene sa na wanyini
so ni se ya ku bonwa ya nto
God, what should I do now? Is it true that men cannot be trusted? Oh, Asai, why this treatment? Where did I go wrong? Hey, I'm finished. My whole world has turned upside down. Ready.
Na unam nya sadai John we are some yat na ko John
Hello. I sorry. I makoyi scan say akana me pakoyi. I bibia ye intact. I 30,000. Okay. Debbie me koni fiano no me be kwa for man. In mean sure. Why? I okay. Yo mate. Okay. Boga no. Mate. Okay. Bye bye.
Oyanko brebo amene okona krana ye kan sumsem e cha sumsem berena minim sai enka o dobi mami enchi na menera sa oni panye oni pa
Stop at wanya de kra wanya di Nkansah na meboa adaba no ibusa se bibi ha wakakere me cause me am hwe wani mu am timu se bibi ha be kamani mu nsem nyina se bibi ha but the same no se same wo kakra na metima sana 12,000 Ghana cedi fa kwatu kana subi na nyakopon ya aduma me organize skebi na this month we na nka odi akakutua e kana e ho no why Gifty. Right. Right. Na minya apakaka. Enimwe ya o na mama ko fa niema. Na ya doma why. Na minya apa. But always got the fakar. Madam. Sorry, you know that's my mom.
Stand away. Have a seat.
Sir, I know I've defaulted, but I've been able to organize 12,000. Let me see. With a bananka. Only bought Nkansah, no mama me pay 1 month. How can we get to a difference?
But 12,000 cities. And I'll have it. The Sika saying, and I'll be here. 30,000. Nobody 12,000, not 18,000 in 1 month. No. Meet me completely. Nko patch more. When you're serious. Says the way with the auditors ever. This Friday, you board meeting. On this same issue. Not because we could transfer and answer them. We could transfer. No. Listen. I can only do this for you on one condition. Yes. But
Say.
Miss Mohammed, we need your part. How do you tell our tears? Well, I remember I'm more deal. 80,000 more.
Sir, I'm patrolling 2 minutes.
What's he saying?
Listening to me, yes, sir.
Brefie and Mure, and then Flas, you did your own commodity. I made a very simple thing. And you know, who persuaded me was the 18,000 painting was. Well, oh my fine. And oh wow.
7 for me.
Thank you.
Why, what's up? Why are you in such a haste?
I need your help.
Aden, calm down. Why?
I'm supposed to meet the board on Thursday. The only amount Randy was able to raise was 12,000. Please, I'm here to beg you to give me the remaining 18,000. I promise I'll pay you. Please.
Say me catch you. Nyani ne dawi. Me catch you say akwa we kwa bruche pe ni we be few. If it's a grown and ready, say 18,000 you go for. I don't even have. Once when him say I think I maybe half of for. Why shen say makwa kufegu ma stocking hina me go for 18,000. Eh? Don't have.
So you can't help me.
Maybe
Jenny.
Pat, when him say we minia. Asem to anatum. So mini bi. You say kwa nka mekofa ye ya ka metime nya bia ma endro ya na mekofa ansa na metwi ai wanzu hunim meba so say run the amount of 12,000. Johnny, run away with it. Yes, go and start a new life somewhere. Look for a new husband, forget all about Asari and then move on.
I can't do that. Please. How can you ask me to run away? Where am I going? I need to be faithful to myself as well as the board. When I needed help, they were there. Please, I can't do that.
You're right. You're right. So what are you going to do right now? Where are you going to go from here?
Don't worry. I'll talk to my manager. I know he will understand. Maybe they'll give me a little time to pay the difference.
Yeah, he will understand. Sure.
Thank you.
Alright, see you later, yeah?
Ankana meniwe Oyanko brebo Amene okona krana Yeka sumsem Echa sumsem Beriana minim say Enka uwo dobi mami yenchi Na meniwa.
Dear Pastor, how are you?
Oh, thank you.
I'm here to remind you of the date. Moreover, we're meeting the board on Thursday. And you have to pay the money before that day. Else, you're going to face the full loss of payment.
Sir, I know. I've tried everything possible to get the money, but to no avail. Please.
I did my best by allowing him to give a grace period to pay this loan. Now it is your time to pay.
Please, I'll pay. Please. All I need is a little time to organize myself, that's all. I'll pay.
But what is 18,000 cedis? It's a chicken money. It's very simple. But
Sir! I said I'll pay, please.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Or should I give in to this man's proposal?
Okay. Is he going to give you the 18,000?
After sleeping with him?
And what was your reply?
Nothing, of course.
Hey, who you buy chief? And you're down for Naminasa or Nkansah. Now, cry to the become a dream. We are sure you're Madame Foupa. When you know be so no better, just one night. Now I'm out 18,000 won't pay. You don't want to do it? I mean, come on, Patty. Do you know the number of girls that will jump at this offer? Look, it's better you do this thing and get it over with. You understand? And then save yourself from all this embarrassment.
Jenny, you know I'm in love with Asari.
Listen, I'm sure. In this situation, you're still sitting down talking to me about love. NIPA more quiet wateninga. Wamani uskada. Shabobo audi. No when you know biso no. One night, every crampo are 2-3 hours. Now I do 18,000 to save yourself from this embarrassment, won't you? Hey, do it and save yourself from this trouble and drama. Maybe that's the only advice I can give you.
So onipanye, onipaya bad. Hey, when you're bad, I no cresse. I boy be back everyone to mammo. Yeah, I feel any Marianne. Aye, onipaya bad. Sronipa. Nasroni oba, yeah, mina mini, and mina mini, and you only
Oh, what? No. Good evening. Fancy. Now, after what I say.
Sir, if you really want to help me, please help me.
But, Sassam now will come. You can't come once and that. Some meeting me up one and one. I tell the past. I mean, you can't see the reason why you were here. No one's been sick. Something what I say. Sweetheart, you're going inside. You're okay. Sorry. We are Charles. 30 minutes, 1 hour to read.
Mr. Asamoah, could you please explain to the board why part loan you granted for has still not been paid?
Boss, first and foremost, I'm not your China. Yes, it's true, sir. It didn't mean granted loan, but because sometimes I'm pushing out and be try. Forcing out thinking be try. Say no idea. Best I can be some now. The whole be out. What would you achieve with us?
Pat, what do you have to say?
I'm very sorry. And I'm truly grateful for whatever you've done for me.
Right.
But I've given the money to the manager.
Pat, what is wrong with you? Boss, was only last week you gave me 12,000 cedis check. I won't know if it's here. Let me have a father. Pat, this 12,000 are their money. 741 let me play on their behalf. We are steady dating about only 12,000 are the
Asamoah, highly disappointed. You have been given this opportunity as a manager of this company to deliver up to your expectation in our absence. And look at the contradictory statement that you are telling us. What do you expect us to say? I don't actually understand what is going on here. You see, we are not playing here. You guys must be serious. We mean business here, okay?
What's wrong with your That's right. Yeah, I'm sure God made me come. He needs his camera. Watch it. But there wasn't the same. So, make him ready. You walk home. What's wrong with your mom?
I'm very sorry.
Pat, we're giving you 24 hours to pay up the money.
I'm sorry. Please. It's true that I gave him 12,000. But he promised me that if I...
No. Stop there. Could you please continue?
That if I sleep with him, he'll pay the 18,000 for me.
What? Is that true? Is that true? Young man, I'm highly disappointed. Do you know the number of years that we've spent to build a reputation for this company? And you've been here sleeping with the people. Come on, and what company secretary? Ha! What impudence! Well, the board is taking decision right now. Mr. Asamoah, you as a manager of this company, you have been fired. You, Pat, We're giving you 24 hours to pay up this money, else you face the full rigors of the law. Sorry. What? Are you still doing that? You are still sitting there? Come on, get out and go and clear your desk. Get out! Get out of this office! Nonsense! You just... Look at him! Hearts! I'm highly disappointed in you.
Sir, I'm sorry.
You of all people, how could you do this?
He took advantage of my desperation.
You being the secretary of this company, you really disappoint us.
Yeah, mina mini, and mina mini, and you only pay me. Only power you, so the power you.
Pat, stop crying. Crying is not going to solve this issue. I went to his house to see him. When I got there, they told me he had traveled. I even tried to talk to the lawyers to see if they could at least do something to help us, buy us time or something. But they're also saying if we don't pay the money within the expected time, you're going to be here for 2 years. What? And they're demanding for 40% interest. Where am I even going to get that amount of money? Oh, I even went to your landlady to check on the documents you told me about, to see if we could actually give the place out for rent and then get something small and sell a few of your belongings. When I got there, she had already even thrown your things out. She didn't even rent the place out, she sold the place. Stop crying. Crying is not going to solve this now. Pat, I told you right from the one to do this. I told you. Now see where you found yourself in. Asari is a very wicked man. He is very wicked.
Sorry.
He's a very wicked man. At least he should have even sent us half of the money or something. Have you eaten? You don't know what? I'm so stupid. I should have even bought you something. Look, let me go and get you something to eat. Even if it's for you to drink, okay? Stop crying. Let me go and get you something, okay?
Onipa ebad, swonipa, na swonioba. Yeah, mina mini, and mina mini, and onipa emi.
I wanna be the support. Hey, I say me easy. Oh, real man. Nkansah we are here say you know the mathematics. I go down that was kafa abofra itinase na kasa na se wofa oh na wona wo kasa e na wo ye dede sa na abofra itu ye e na deceit Agyapong
oh akonta me so uti fi mpacho na me se wonya me se o me
really mo think
me go to me se mpacho sa se me mo so wo
na wana me mo no so
oni be na mai fia
oni woni aba
akonta me mpacho partner so den a wa mu ni pete ne wada fiase what about from who ete otu fluentia o kwantia na kuto sa chere ba system so he sandu na so about from dey fiase
abo so be
what so den na nya me
so be an
be pacho
mo ye mpanyem bone na mo dey ase
ade ya ba dem fa pa bon tachi you want me mpia ka dey bi ho ni nya to kwasem
on bible
what obi jam nkwa na nyina eso na nya je na mfie tu pe ye mfie ba
na ni ade na what
ane fa What the father? Namawo.
I didn't know. Oh, do be back to move. A honor walk on me, come on, Mate. You cock such a low. Obeso coco, say Shamokilla. Yes, already. Obesacha.
Ready, baby, I'm colleagues as I record the ship. She become mammy once.
But I
You say, Ready, she become and you cannot suffer.
Esther, was sending a message. I no me cheap. Would you look as I want to be an enemy? You would go. Are they? No, work at you. When you can have whatever you mean. Woman, you don't do it up with Uncle Pinipan. One I tell what you're being and then told you didn't say who. So, I can't be able to be above if you want to better to Jerry. Now come and answer. Let me see you. One I thought, top hello, and now I have got in the ambulance. One year I said, Yamabi, Yabu, Lemon. You can Nkansah, you come and your chair, Mother Wally, I come to me who means. Can you know who's to him? I have work also.
The muddy puppy, and a way to say. Sorry. So, Mrs. Osha was so great, Raddy. She and the company into one with you. So what's yes, and which young Kasrama be? Yes, I am going to go. Okay. I'm here to say. Who put the phone master? What? Auntie, yes, it's even no. Ye chump, but I'm one to over the do.
What idea who's a ship of flag? Only I two didn't know. Second crane. Yeah, the moon are two. How was that for more? That's a sound. When you can, I just what can you do? So what can I do? But already made the other boss to well, Bongo for the dress and Soroko. We do not have Soroko to soon as I want on what? Extravagant to make catch you. 7 percent. Sam up and was here for. Was it country? I'm willing to me. Maybe I can't tell me, Queen, let me to tell them it, Miss Olio. They are near the party. My car, we hear my car, we hear you. The Yaka, oh, who's hey, I'm going to I'm
don't worry, son. What are you doing, Jesus? Hey, Jesus, not for once a man. You should be ready to make Munamusu around. Jesus. Hey, but my catcher of Cosena, some young couple knows me. Jesus. Jesus, not for once a woman. Now, how do you me feel so you feel? Say, me feel you feel, but my may be our Jesus. You should watch now. What's my bojo anymore? What's more beyond Saboko? I let Jesus not for once a man. I said, you go inside.
Better I mean him say, Oduro be mammy ain't she? Na menera. Hey. So only panye, only pay bad. Hey, when you're bad.
Madam, good afternoon. Patrol the same.
Patrol, you know.
Patrol, patrol. Oh, what are they? Oh, lady VLT flatting me.
sure be an part of it. Yeah,
for the fee. Wow. Nah, because me here no other say, and I'm Mijano too quiet, so I'm going to buy or say.
If I don't have to feel, if you be an part of it.
Oh, okay. But then, what papa what there? Only you. Okay, but that's why. Some cream. They say him for pa na me kon repart. Makone jumam oni ho. Makone fie dada mu so oni ho. Randy so amedini ja no so Randy so na me hwehwe ba bia me hu me. Asem we kra de me yene de ni. Mo ku sin fie we so me be ko we kwa ya asem foforo. Debbie, and the heading if you want to some economic correction. Sabri, you mean, baby, on in a media. And then I had come. Was you be a to fee? And maybe my baby girl, and infant, I was saying. Yammy.
So they want time to change my identity. Musically. So they want time to change my identity. Musically. Some music race, commercial race, political race. Some music race, commercial race, political race. So they want time to change my identity.
Precious goodness, is that you?
Jenny. So how are you?
I'm fine. How have you been? You look good.
Is it okay?
Yeah, sure. No. Oh my God, you look sweet. You look good. When did you come into town?
Well, I've been in town for like a week.
Oh my goodness, I'm sorry, you've not done well. You've not even bothered to call me or bothered to even see me or something. Make any effort.
Jenny, I have been to your shop twice and I've always been told that you're not available.
My workplace?
Yeah.
Wow, well, how come the girls never told me? Nobody told me you've been there.
I have been to your shop twice. I miss this local place.
No, but you should come to my place first.
I know.
We should do this some other time.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you. And I've been looking all over the place for your friends and I can't find it. What's going on?
Oh. Huh. Like, as in, you mean your part?
Yes, my part.
Sorry, I don't know how to go by this. I don't actually know how to tell you this. And I don't know how you're going to take it. But look, listen, Pat changed totally. You have no idea. You won't believe it, but did you believe Pat was actually dating her manager, Dave? Yes, they were secretly dating. You won't believe it.
No, excuse me. Jenny, this is me, Nana Asari, talking to you about my part.
Look, listen. The worst aspect of the whole thing was their secret affair came to the limelight, and the manager's wife actually found, and she was sacked. She now started jumping from one man to the other. Pat actually became a whore. In short, she became a complete slut. A good for nothing. You don't even know. The worst aspect was, would you believe Pat was actually jailed for 2 good years?
Pat in jail?
For 2 good years. For duping a stupid old Frenchman who smokes if you see his teeth. Ha! I said Pat changed totally. I told her, Pat, stop. If Asari comes, he won't be happy. Because Asari is coming to her. Stop what you're doing. Pat
No, but listen, Jenny, I'm sorry, but you need to slow down with your words, because I don't know you.
I know you'll be hurt, but that's what has happened.
Of course I'm hurted.
That's what happened. I am telling you.
But I spoke to you, I sent her money through you, and you did not tell me all this, but now?
Sweetheart, if I knew, God is my. If only I knew Pat was actually going to do that with the money you sent, I would have sent your money back. Look, I gave all the money you sent to her. She squandered everything and started dating and following that stupid French old man.
So where is she now?
Seriously, I don't know. She came over to my house as a good friend. I gave her some money to start up her life, and I told her. She said she wanted to leave her. So right now, she didn't even call me. She didn't tell me where she.
But Jenny, I lost contact with her. You were the only person that I could talk to. I sent you money to be given to Pat.
Which I did.
No, fine. So, after all this, where is Pat? That is what I want to know.
No. Why would you even go and look for her? For what? She will lie to you.
No, listen, it's not like I am doubting you, but I'm too surprised.
Look, the truth is what... Okay, who am I to?
Of course, obviously, she's more like a sister to you.
I'm not like her sister. I am her sister. I won't lie to you. Okay, what will I gain from lying to you? What? Nothing. I won't gain anything. I'm just telling you the truth. You understand? I'm just telling you the truth. There's no need for you to go and look for her. Even if you look for her, don't worry. This moment you are in town, don't worry. I'm going to take proper care of you. Okay?
Thank you, bro.
You're welcome. Just finish it.
Wow.
Ankana meniwe, oyanku brebo, amene okona krana, ya can't some, a chasum some. Better than I mean him say, and cow dobi mammy ain't he? Na mene.
Yeah, who's that?
It's me.
You.
Jenny.
1 second, please. Alright, you can come in.
Hey, hi.
Jenny, how are you?
I'm good. Yourself? You know, kind of bored.
Bored? A little, but what can I do? Can't complain. I've been thinking more about what we discussed last time about art, and I hope you cool us.
Yeah, I'm okay. It was just I was at work and I was listening to you and just decided to pass by. It was pretty much a bit boring.
Oh, that's good of you. But no.
No, I was just actually trying to take something off your head.
Jenny, slow down. It's okay now. You being past from the noise.
I'm sexy.
I know, but
Jenny, hold on, wait.
So onipa bad. Hey, when you're bad. I no cresse, a boy be back away everyone to mambo.
What? Patty, look, how many times do you want me to tell you to stop worrying yourself? Look, stop thinking about this guy. Life must still go on with or without him. Eh?
You're right. But there is no way I can stop thinking about him. You know I still love him.
Look, I've told you, I understand you vividly, okay? But then, to your best of knowledge, this guy is even married outside with kids. Huh? And you're here worrying yourself, worrying your head, crying day in and day out over him? I mean, come on. Life must go on with or without him. Huh? Please. Just stop crying, okay? Look, I promised you some money to help you out with your business, right? I was not able to go to the bank today, so I'm gonna give you a check so you go cash it out yourself. But hey, you've done so far, you've done so well with the little I've given you. And just forget all about Asari. Just try as much as possible to forget everything about him.
Onipa ebad, sronipa, na sronioba. Yeah, mina mini, and onipa emi. Onipa yeah.
Alright, so just have this, okay? Have it and manage it, okay? Please. And stop worrying your head. Look, if you get any man who is interested in you, you're still a young, beautiful girl. You can still pick up your life, pick up the pieces, okay? And agree. Get married, give birth, and forget everything about Asari. Okay? Life still goes on with or without him. Yeah? My friend Joyce, you remember her? She told me she's got me new stock, so I need to just go check it out. Okay? So I'll take my leave. But please, hey, promise me you're not gonna cry again. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Stop crying, okay? Yeah? You've always been a sister, okay? Let me just go out and catch you up tomorrow, okay? Stop it, okay? I'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Onipa oye, onipa oye, onipa onyawa be, onipa onyawa be, onipa oye, onipa oye, onipa onyawa be.
I never knew you were this sweet and bad. I actually love your style, you know.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, baby. And you actually surprised me.
Really?
Yeah.
I did, huh?
Yeah, you did.
That was sweet.
You actually made me understand why the guys do like the ladies. Anyway, she the kind of one that I made up again.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Babe. I want you to promise me you'll marry me as soon as possible. Come on, sweetie. I don't want any woman to take you away from me. I can't afford to share you with any other woman.
Darling girl, you should know that this body, soul, and mind are all here. You're here.
Oh my goodness. Whew, that was good.
So.
I want more.
Hey. The Indian man will say, nehi. Let me catch some rest, okay? And I'll give you a word, alright?
Alright, babe.
That's my girl.
So communication was some men free and all part. Genesis Academy, so dear, men pass out. About to can not construction. I don't know what to make of it. There be me by no media wire cardinal. Me quite am a construction and I didn't yes, I didn't know what I yes. I didn't know women and member can all part of it. Men construction, I didn't yes. But when I was so tall and better, you know the crowd and say, men come construction, I didn't yes, I didn't hear. I got 10 more scratch more. The hacker. I'm paying it. Make the menu walk. Make us out. Mr. Menu walk. As this time about card was a minimum of a crowd there. Card, McCoy, McCoscatiana, at the end of the tea. No, my bass is I didn't know what was Sunday. I will say I'm not scratching more. I know I'm scratching at the card in the what's it? What? But Nama is so terrible. And it has been for something in your war there. If you are scratch a card, a numbers need to toilet son. It's more than one of them.
Yeah, the numbers as is you know the one of the swash. Oh, buy a giddy and what if for now, dear man. Number no at it today, but a serial number no. With the car of my card never. Why? Okay. To work one. Hey. Sorry, could you be a
Hey, average.
I said, go for 2 days.
Bra, echo.
Oh, nice. Oh, Brandon, no, sir. At least you would maybe your baby. I do better. That's you know, I don't think I'm present. Baby, but no one will cry. I'm the go. But unfortunately, man, not all them people shop.
Oh, Dada, because maybe any machine be a maybe because part of the year. Yana
come to Ghana. Ghana,
I'm weighing.
Party there's a Gold Coast. Party there she's dead English, and some say.
Dead what?
Of course.
Heart.
Maybe I me party chakwa, she's not going to be fun. And then somebody I'm to cry details be at the mommy. Because I tried getting in touch. Nami London. My fra, I don't get Nyana down for. And you might be brave.
Focus away in the same papa. Sasa, you know, me catch up because who won't he part with them for 2 bad years? Who won't he? Master, what's the answer now? Can part with them for 2 bad years? So, because a Nipana Pebosian at the amount, Madia Cocoya, why your name Abas? When you I thought me a dino, nothing was wrestling. I say, so when you're Babu, blah. You are laughing at the wrong side of your mouth, I tell you.
Maybe some part catch a woman and answer the old country.
Blah, Jolly okay count.
Meaning to part up with them. Randy,
blah. Fuck, or Baba was on the 20 cry. Because there no, how I was filming. And yet, how it was.
It is not away.
Meaning, baby, I was saying, because maybe one of them, Betty. What should I say? This is what got turned down for being seen. What same area of it when imagine if you put your meeting. But to lose off 1 year renting.
No, but what show area and
watching the area. But I don't know. I think you get
Oh, okay, of course.
yeah,
okay, what's here? Down, if you want junction,
At the point, nigga, we flying. When I landed, boy, I walked in, 30,000 in my pocket, had them niggas just like, oh.
It's a little bit.
Oh, sir. What can I say about?
Okay,
very good.
Always I'm a
Yo.
Good evening.
Good evening, Randy. That's the same.
I'll show you now, sweet.
Hey! Who by? I know when you are. And you will answer and you fail. You will lie. I mean, you say me I'm afraid.
Sorry, but a very long story. So because I may explain the issues actually. they bet me, but the bottom line is me. Sorry, and your boy. Okay, never gonna have done a system.
Wahame papa.
Oh, but she knows something for me. She knows something for me.
And so a day I would and you're a coco ebeba who ja bless, no one curse. Ain't me showing me and him, mammy, mammy, if he said, we crack on my party. Hey, only panya, only paya bad, only panya.
Babe, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you good? What's wrong with you?
Why did you lie like that about Pat?
Yeah, Pat. Yes, I lied to you about Pat, and so what? I told you stupid things about my friend, so what?
Do you really understand what you're saying?
I'm speaking English.
That you concocted stories like this about your friend and you told me, and I'm asking you and then you are telling me the same thing again. Now listen, on top of it and the worst of it all is that you told such lies about your friend. I sent you money for her to repay the loan that she took from me and then you kept the money.
Sweetheart, that's because she didn't need it. I had better use for the money, so I had to use it. How about that? Now look, listen. You better stop this thing you're doing. Do you understand? Because this is between the two of us. You had promised me marriage and you're going to stick to it. Do you get it? Don't let me end up feeling pity for you at the end of the day. Because you see this war you want to start? This thing you want to start? You can't compete it with me. Do you get it?
Listen. You are just the devil incarnate.
Oh yeah, I know that. I know. My mom actually told me that 2 days ago.
And then you stand in my face telling me about promises and then me asking to marry you.
Didn't you promise me of marriage? You did, so you're going to marry me. It's just as simple as A, B, C, D. You have to marry me. In short, you must marry me. You don't have anywhere to go. You have to marry me. I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you. You will marry me because you promised to marry me.
And now are you daring me?
I am not daring you. I'm telling you.
Now you need to get it printed clearly in your mind that it is over henceforth.
That is a big lie, darling. That is what you don't get. You don't end it.
You get a head out of it.
You promised me marriage, forgotten. You can't break up with me like that. You have to marry me. You will marry me. In short, we are already married.
Now get out!
Take it easy, you're
You mad?
I'm not lying.
Now get out!
Take it easy. Look, listen.
Okay, let me start. Ejametin Nwasem.
That is why I ended up in jail.
Baby, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'm Asamoah Minka. Unfortunately, but if we are saying, NIPA and NIPA Yaboni. Papa said, that is not me. There is no way meet me at Nasia Shittin said, part young from jail. But if we are saying, NIPA and NIPA Yaboni. Sasika will come once in when we lost contact. Me perandia minyano, me pewa minyao, Jenny contact and a bar in mind. And I started talking to her. Obejedi said, Sika ye kamasem. Obejedi said, me di Sika no epre Jenny epre's how even more than what you were supposed to use to repay the loan. Yes. Jenny. Yes, Jenny, your friend Jenny. I sent the money to her and even sent her monies that were double what you had to even use to pay the loan. Uni, my heading chese and someone me buy a crown. Jenny, I can't tell me about you.
Are you telling me you brought the money to Jenny?
I sent the money to Jenny to be given to you to repay the loan. And at a point in time, Meneno Krenya Kasaka said, Adentina minti minya contact. Why is it that although in Chenya untimi so krana unframe Adena on mamino unkasa war no phones?
I see.
My baby. Should I see?
All the money she was giving me was my own money.
Jenny was giving you money?
Jenny has been very supportive. She was giving me money anytime it was crisis. I didn't know it was my own money. But she took the glory.
But
she made me believe she's the one helping. But I'm surprised. Why would she do that? Because Jenny is like a sister to me.
No, but my point is this. Why didn't she give you the money to repay the loan so you could avoid the jail? Why did she keep it?
What can I do? She used the money for the right purpose. But I'm surprised. Jenny is like a sister to me.
Listen to me carefully. Whatever it is, okay? I am sorry. And I promise it's not gonna happen again. I will make you right all the wrongs that I've caused, okay? Now, I want the dust to settle and I'll quickly get married to you and then I take you away from here and all will be over.
Get married?
Yes.
You don't care about me sleeping with my manager?
Oh, please drop that. Baby, I love you and that is all that I'm thinking about. You are the one and only person I want to spend the rest of my life with. Who cares about you sleeping with somebody? Hey, you did it because you wanted to save yourself from any embarrassment, but it never worked. Baby, I need to make right all the wrongs. Okay? I love you so much, okay?
Are you okay? No. What's up? Why are you so moody? What's up? What's wrong with you? Are you okay?
Yes,
Really?
And then you stand in my face telling me about promises and then me asking to marry you.
Didn't you promise me of marriage? You did, so you're going to marry me.
Now you need to get it printed clearly in your mind that it is over henceforth.
That is a big lie, darling. That is what you don't get. You don't end it.
You're gonna get a haircut.
Does. No, that's nice. That's interesting. You should be happy. I mean, that has always been what you had always dreamt of. You had always wanted to get married to him. Come on, for all the struggle, the pain, and everything. Why are you acting like that? You're right.
You know I still love.
Of course I know. And I'm sure he loves you too. That's why he wants to marry you.
Do you think I should tell my parents?
Your parents? They have to find it. So far as he's going to marry you, they need to know. You have to tell them.
You have to accompany me.
No, of course. And you take this water and then go back into that living room out from that kitchen. Yeah? Honey, just go. Stop acting rude. Yeah? Just be happy. Okay?
Okay. Thanks, dear.
Just be happy, yeah? What's the meaning of all this?
Meaning of what? I told you never to step foot in this house again. It is over. What is wrong with you?
Wait, do you think I'm actually here to actually plead with you to be with me? Or beg you to be with me?
So what are you here for?
I just came to tell you I am pregnant and that I am carrying your baby.
Listen, Jenny. You are underestimating me. Look at me. This melodious song that you're singing, I have heard it over and over and over again. And it never shook a bone in me. What are you talking about? That you're pregnant for me? Please, can you move for talk?
Look, listen to me. I am not joking, I'm serious. I am carrying your baby and you should start thinking of how you're going to end that stupid thing called marriage between you and that thing called Pat. Because I am not going to agree to it. I am not going to agree to such a thing. Do you understand?
I now get it. You are just in here to sabotage my marriage, innit?
Sweetie, I am not sabotaging anything. I am just telling you that you should think and reason out. Look, come on, come to think of it. I am carrying your baby. Who do you expect to carry that shame all by herself? Me?
Now I see why some people do record such girls when they come begging to sleep with them.
Like,
of course. Listen, better go get rid of that thing that you are carrying there. Listen, that embarrassment, go get rid of it. What are you talking about? It is shameful. You can't just come out and then say, hey, I'm pregnant for him, so this marriage cannot go on.
Sorry, if you do that, you're being wicked. If you say that you're a very wicked human being, you should have thought of it. You should have thought that Pat was my friend before you went ahead to say it. I don't know you to be that type. Don't do that.
Jenny, I guess it's about the fourth time I'm telling you you are a devil. And I want you to understand that I am not the least scared of you. Okay? You can go ahead with whatever plans that you have just to sabotage this beautiful thing I'm about to have with my party. Okay? Go ahead. And I don't care. This thing you're carrying in there is not my baby.
So
you need to get rid of it.
Abortion.
Of course, yes.
God forbid. I've never done it and I'll never do it. Not in my entire life.
Come here. Fine. I think you just can't get rid of me. You just don't want to let me go. Okay? You tested it and then you think you have to give it, right? Listen, I like you too. I don't want to let go of you anymore. So, let's think of something, okay? Now, help me help you. Let me go through a less marriage with party, okay? After that, relax. After that, I'll get her out of the country and I'll come back and then we'll do our own thing, alright? So we avoid the embarrassment and the shame and everything that we can bring onto our families. Is that okay? I will give you some compensation.
How much are you willing to compensate me?
Hey, you are still asking for the compensation after me telling you that I'm taking you back?
Yes.
Okay. I know you and money are just some inseparable pair. I don't care. Now, yeah, you asked for some 50,000 the last time. I'm ready to give that to you. Is that okay?
The money.
Well, wait. You should know that the engineer can't into Tunkrani. We are canning for Christ's sake. The engineer can't into Tunkrani. So, I get you the money later. Alright? And then, hey, I will make sure I give you a very serious...
So just stop it. Stop it. I'm not ready for all of that. Look, you better make sure I get that money. Just make sure I get it. And the very moment I get it, forget about my beautiful face because you're not going to see me ever in your entire life. It's over between me.
I love it when you say my beautiful face ever again. How many times haven't you said that? I'll give you the money, you come to me, I give you a very sound whacking before I get through with my marriage production party, okay? Now get the hell out of here.
No, and here, what we did you know? Yeah, what put our man of it? Won't if I book a bonus with you, in Yanapa. Yet then I see baby near the Munyama was here. And the very title is Bunania, what? And then I say, so quiet when young Kaya and Wamba, making a word to the Emo, the American man I could see, and near some of the Puma Sibra and the Bano, we don't want to swallow or fly Emma. And Nadia, maybe Emma did them, and the apple flan of a man I wanted there. I wanted to. Yeah, I wanted a crowd of close to me one walk. But who's on the side of my bed? I already and I said, oh, now what that password. Catch that as a watch or you. The main family see any money and for management. Miss Anson, no, you move with the cousin. Watch us a walk, Papa, Bemena, Papa, a champion. Bemena, sending a Genesis. What's in my you know, appreciative. The Misha, why the name boom, Nibanid, so new one woman. Send me a Sunday wood here. Off on the banner mount, or Sunday with me. Last man, what it was no home before. Come here, Jimmy. See what? Then I walk around. Is a few them from Nkansah. You're not well, I'm fat. Say you are Botrema. Capi, now one are Capi. What would you say here, Capi?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate what your father is saying.
What's the
name of your uncle again?
Oh, fire. Hey, no,
and then you. Well, fine. Thank you. Well, fire, whoever.
Well, I'm going to be here.
Excuse me, can I talk?
Talk.
I appreciate you all can be. I don't understand. But he should understand. Excuse me, I'm talking to you, man.
Okay.
He should understand that I could have done whatever that I wanted. You understand what I'm saying? I've stayed in the UK for how long? Listen, I've stayed there for how long?
Wow.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not stupid.
Yeah.
I came back here to Ghana because I love her daughter. I love his daughter, yeah? I love her so much. Yeah? Now you people should understand that I am here for her, not you. You understand? I could have taken her away just like that. But I came purposely and I give you guys the respect. That's why. Of course.
Now, but what's it? And then they hire a fucking house. What the hell? I hear them now. Go down with my toilet. Who bet you rap? Yeah, and no, there was so who saying, you listen, what I'm saying is that if I was a nobody of now, I want to my dear, but I'm not gonna see I own Ross. Hey, you don't fucking touch me. You can't touch me. I will sound your face. Are you mad? I hate the hypocrisy, man. I hate that hypocrisy. No. Let me spill out the beans, baby. Hey. Before Bachaba, you came to us in the house. You came begging us that you understand? And now you're sitting here, you're talking trash. When you came to the house, what did I give you? I gave you fucking first salad. Hey! A moment. What? So when now? Are you mad? Sister, I gave you first salad. You want some of my place one? Minu will become. Why not? What do you mean, Referee. What she said, you walk again. Say what for your cheer papa this guy. They can't go for referee. Dear woman, you referee, be a OJ bribe one. OJ Panati Bonnie. And I'm getting a worker. What are the Congo to say king? What do you mean, we're catching when he catching? And you busy. What your panati? Wow, Santa, what your bribe bonnie? Madame Davy. Beman, for was. I didn't jack say, sister, I could have missing. Women can see yes, and for so back in the power. I simply know by the piano and that's a kind of nature. They are real letter. Catch you said, wait, why not? What do you want? Or from my child, by over fear, my pets, or that's yes, but Saba, Mr. For not to enough for me, after tying up to any Mr. We never be a man or dog didn't work with you. Now, for seeing what could you maybe wait any. Now, my uncle say, I want to work him. Now, I want the news to you. That you want Kayas never Kayas party. Yes, you know, I'm having him come up and tell him to say, Meme say, you were bushing, and you were bushing, I beg you. And then it was a Janice offer. What's it? I don't know how we are. Ah, me too, me akalana. Patricia. Me mo haye be. Be na ba on power cho. Eh, papa ma baka o. Na de ya kwala. Me no na. What dachi? Me no na Patricia. Wo be kesa dachi. Wo be kesa. What? Me dachi o fe o. Am fuso me do. Referee. Ya me kan say. Na chop.
Baby. My love.
What is it? Jenny, you're supposed to be dressed. I know. You're running out of time, sweetie.
I know, but listen, I am so sorry. I didn't mean for it to happen the way it did, okay?
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
I'm forgiving you, okay? Go get dressed and let's go. It's my wedding day!
No, you don't get it. I'm sorry. Okay, look, you know you're like the sister I never had, and I love you so much.
I'm forgiving you. Now, go and dress. Let's go. It's my wedding. Jenny,
I'm so sorry.
You're scaring me.
You don't get it.
Jenny, what is wrong?
Look, I'm 3 months pregnant for Asari. Jenny, I'm 3 months.
Oh, Betrayal. Say, Ben may one yet. We see canty and walk out and what? Ben, what did you make second who? Ben, what will be well, Coco Bia, to become a Camabia, I am punch and dear Tom. Will be a duo to be. Son of Ben mate. Then we be a moon
offer. You see me found so. Don't worry.
Boni panyo. Yeah, and come in Oyemo sikemo, ekomo sikemo, oyeminye, na febani senye, na oyemi senye.
Patricia, I give myself. Ain't you know what they have seen? Ever share any when you're more dear? I will be able to papa be a name yet after them yet trial for. What's what time?
No, and yet they would have
I do something.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm not putting in the bag.
You know what I am? Never go.
And why? Or by ya, or the sister party. Oh, we don't know what you be saying, yes, then, or a friend who point out just over the one and the coca. Adenia, or the brass salary. Only in 3 months, ma. And this is a say, I said, just a premium would you buy a bra?
I send me part young for 3 months. Hey, sister, small.
Now, come up for another country. Most of them are here. More, you know, someone who will be in work.
Hey, from
I feel my wash the yes, I'm letting you one. I say, one name, your
mammy, 1 in 3 months.
Sister, small. Say your poor. Your body means how I get.
Someone that was
yet on your level. Make a present to the party. Deliver your blessing. So no bell. Some of the calling from Timo. Oh, the uncle there.
Someone down.
Well, when the cover, someone who could have what I know now. Who could be? Oh, yes.
Someone down. I'm not
so very that summer. Then you'll probably do. Every Sabbath.
Hello. Hello, Brasari. Brasari. Brasari, Asamoah. You see, inside the yes, and who's the part of collapse? Or collapsing my more reaction to Trasky Hospital.
You okay?
What's that?
What is that? Asante.
Who will say you from? What is wrong with you?
No, excuse me. I don't know. Excuse me. And then
Obaway, never any afleya why your party say you. I'm another day you.
Let was any of could rush. What they in there said last time?
I want your yaka, one of yaka.
Yeah, why you could go into the public sign.
What? They are one of yaka. My foot is in your foot. Now for London, what happened? Set you up. Let's put it. Yes, I said, no, me. Who don't say, Nana? I would tell you, enemy. Let me be just. Oh, mammy. We are one of that for one. I got a we are what? We are
What is now what is this? I mean, they were room. I would tell you, now don't be married.
Yes, yeah, now the train. Because the missing young and serious. We all share ye. Because oppression about SURO. Huh? Sorry. Why, Brad?
Andy, I'm saying your consumer situation is in the city.
We don't really know now. Andy,
many chimney. And a mother to us one you will say. And a make your part want you. And a ginger for one back. And a mother will collapse you.
Yes, yes, we don't need. There's no turning back. It's very as we have it.
Me pese be from passport kura na jack me yifri mu kura.
Sorry. One can
you know what I mean?
The good advice on the man saying
Manoko was soon says someone by your baby what and you started in the year. Say yes, sir, sorry. No be bad no egg for so. I'm no call Siadwa. Hey, first time baby, I'm young. I thought Mr. First baby, I'm young. Be no near no. Mr. Two son of Kumasa, just what? Me both did the money PhD. Bra, a camino near Ranyasa, papa. What does me who first the enemy who saw when you bear back and play? Me who I want to say, show what you want. Yeah, no more sabre. What is the catcher of Sunana? Not just a walk come my album. Come your coffee crop way today. Hey, now down for pawn in the cover. Share, sir. Next now. Now young pay a sober bunko. And your sabla. Me say me can't take it up to palm it 2 years. Nobody needs say part time. Once you pull at the shop at night. Black eye, now front of women. Japan, I want to call one women follow. What about yourself? I'm about to say. What about yourself? I'm about to say. What was the film so when you say, yeah, only me. When your partnership are contribute. Never been in milk on you. Now say yes, sir. Brass, say yes, sir. Master.
Rampant fire.
Hello? Jenny? No way. Oh, brefie. Say what is uncle for what's situation a woman and was about a dear reward. I didn't know back. Say obende, bra. They say when him diabo. Bra, I didn't see and yes, ye. Inti bra, what it? Martini now. Why? Brassia. Masuguni now so. What was that? Yeah, would you wish you would you be? Would you have to take? Once I know about the motor. Swoon. Now, whoa. Me bana samba ko peso. Bompa ya na me ba part. Ne ho ntono e wo hospital ho. Sister na sanya sa. Me no mienu. Ah do. Ya bechi ya Nkansah. Sister ada na wonya botre. Bompa ye. Se wonam ho nyina woni bre party eyi ekuni. E do de be ya kanana. Na wo chi e dia magbe. Sister sa na ate. Ensema wo kan nyina me. Minim hoshe. Wouldn't hoshe. Asamoah wouldn't hoshe. Me yida kupa se me be pie sese. Wouldn't hoshe abodia. Me dey me kwa asori o. Dey obe kan so kwa asori. Me dey me kan Psalm 23 ye ho ane me hwefo. Me dey say Bible no me kin kan nachi. Bible no me kan nachi. Me bua. O sa. Onko yi hunu onwu. O sa. Ah, me say bompa ye na ne ho nto no. Enya sa sister me chira wo kafia. Me dokominion pa no. Kiki ya we dey be sister wo ye wan when na dey brain na buy kwantika wo be ye dey wo ye me na me dey sweet mother buy ye bomba me nsa adai me say bompa ye na part ho nto no ya me kan no na say yes adia me no ye do jo e be chu ko na akwala na so ode nso na die say me sin na kasa no be be fi adai
and coming here, I fed your bunny saying, now I am say, hey, Nipa, so Nipa, so Nipa, on your bell, so Nipa, on your bell, so Nipa, so Nipa.
Bakuma, but my ex is I mean it. Now, too. When more fast to find, we live here, live or go live for one. When the body fell, another nest.
Patient,
they not yes.
What was in the way? What was in the way?
What would you have done for the higher parts? The true papa. Uli na mfua ubefa. Saa kwa leni party kwa beyi na asene ni breno. Shed ya wadi ya yano. Aye from brand new fita.
Anya baby.
Hey.
Yon kubidio.
Ni penye.
Eno ni mewu.
They
say the American. Sa.
Oduro. Yeah, says he can't be cast up on Jibra. Why should I could give a catch up beside you? I said, you're done with you. And it's good. The Apollo Pop Marcos Rama. Say, I knew no. I got that day. And let the image. I got the money. Yeah. Oh, but I'm in a video. I can't take Asante. I got that. But yeah, but the minute as I make any 7 years about mommy. Up here watching and then emergency couple seconds. He can send me. I'll come up with Jessica, the band. The scanner was the second scanner. The fire second of them of us say. But we are. I'm going to be
Sister Pat!
I don't even make it. I would never ask me to one of TV witness with doctor. One person will when you go, when you go, or better for the best I get on the block. What a valuable, that's it. I could me a buffer. I would have been said you never fresh and more fast in Williams. So I would have won your for and the 1 hour till 1 year moved up one day. And 1 year society area one day. I would have more for the budget. Yeah. Oh,
say a 1 year keep up. Hey, when you're love for the hearts. Not employees is all over until we talk with a and there is a wonderful one of Mabua, Namontisini, a farmer dependent, and then Sumina.
Why?
Mama faso. Akwenta me ho coffee sika kura wuti. Kwabua ma ni perfect. E die biem. Se me kwa na me ba na chile hele.
But
Akwenta se me na ka kwenta.
Enti se we.
Akwenta ni bra ba yin na ha twa ga
ni bra na. Ena wa she be. Se di ofri ata so ata bofo.
But yeah.
Anda ya kwenta mo ne be na mayebo.
Masaka ba. Kaba kama sa kwenta. Akwenta faso kwa ba wo yire. Akwenta. Biblia ba na ni nyina so na ba. Ba me ya ba tani nya ba topa ba fesi dai. Abasa. Yeah. Abasa.
Anyway, we go remember. Listen up, Auntie, no one bet my house. I see me, Maka, say, Jessu. I don't know where, sir. Makacha was our Asare, quite Pia Shumakodam Nabakasa. Huh? Be Pia to be trapped.
Just take a good look at my situation. Just as I remember any question. Remember me knowing you. Come just said what to say, well, any man she make sure. Man, hear me, your granny, so catch it enough for said there's no way he's going to get married to me.
And you would dear, when Pias was said, open no force, some metiasi, and then I just said, after all, I'm catching or machine inside, or means to approve when Pias will walk over. And they are not come to you. Obey your service, so what police swab over a colonel. Who will be a wire said, dear Rewa, Amagrana, or Bawa Jimmy. For catch will say, Debbie Pia. Now, sell quite Pia so walk over one.
So only now, Professor. I'll kill myself.
And cuss us and make that. Jenny, sorry, Chromocramin, it's like my mother talk as some Bolivia with it. I don't know where your mammy rattles. I will come on, I prefer the family. Jenny, Pia, yes, I If one Nkansah will be a Buddha. Yes, and Yamia, one mamma may be her. Think I didn't think of my academy for me. Pick up your breath. What do you know? Huh? Check. Yes, I'm a Utiri pani abranti kame mu akonya wo fi ada abranti ni
your man paper chance and you ready buy in incredible let me say the decline let's your man if you are to one my brother
yes
my son the SCPR
yes sorry
the patrol is saying, make a crab, Ubefi, and you be tinko. If I didn't found, yeah. Now, the Obeka in us so called, you know. Many brother, a tinko mo pay, it's nasi. Makasane papa, I said, oh, yeah, 1 yini. 1 yini. Nancy said, so be JP Piaronaka. It's a saying on one Casagiatum, said, oh, yeah. Free Necri, whatever the night I intend here. Now, what she, Jennifer, a coach said, Yammy persuade us. Team went in a man. 2 young men say, you'll be catching or say a sweet about Nancy. I don't say about that.
Well, not in the bar. The woman says, a Yamia can make a draw a Korea fan cover. And a draw of fat, and then you know what dear Fafra, what dear Fafra be just a she a come on the Babano. Yamenkuma, oh, Jenny, never won't. And I'm a good fellow, then a Nkansah, whatever I would ever be here. Oh, Jackie Pia Manenka. Say, near yes, I agree, crying as a Yamin Buano. Now, Austrian as some view more. Car or 2 Apolani dear. Nanko wa yeno kwa di na afra. Nde mi amini so be dada. If say me set kwan bias. Me meti ase ne dia kola no be wa. It is what kind of sad dia. And you know who so Sinka seninya mia kan be ko. When you know my when you know, wouldn't you? Me what's ya? So one day, ya dish ya ninya. And to can be a show as a sabema no one. Sa, see. I want your way. Mr. Chisel, and my son net, and my sitchna.
Casa Tenton and a home infant.
Matty?
A good is a home if I'm wishing Ampuano, a honey woman good for Matty. Eh, Endo, my yen summer is here for more. Here, my mother was Anna was a dead no more than I yet know. Then ya met Yasias, say, me who carry you more. You work with me. The bear can another people. That's just a now they walk, Emma. Oh, good in our song for Yawa. Maybe this year, oh, you will be asking.
Can't quite any problem being poor. I was a mess. Eh, that's a book. Sir, don't go to that for the effort. Oh, what do we hear Esther Chiria? What I said in the new. What I was saying, then Penny said you, a 13 year old baby. Oh, I guess I would have been. Oh, if we said, I can't never be, and I won't fear any. When I baby, I could
Owo kutare so nkwa entimi nyima ni nyi.
Owo la fi se bibi anko ka papa.
Ene jedi.
La fi ya.
Akuta metiasesa. Mesrew. Abofele wu na so den a wanti woni ne wo safuto ne ne. Wo sha asase.
Na fi ya de.
Akuta tie so. Yan fa ne han enko pekes ma fi. Akuta ko me dikai. Wo fa unya bema. Kamato da dada. Mun ka wo sese bia de ya da anya de no. Yan fa nyi obi. Sa buhye na wo kan wasem no. Wabuhye mu ohye beto buhye ma ni so ohye. Omo si asem buhye mu so ni so ohye.
Sende amaga eni amageshia eni yehuna amaga ho. Tie be hye no wafu ya wom.
Fana to na asem fana se.
Ya poti bia ma hye ni boto mu.
Me.
Enti do ka be fosa no.
Meja ni. Sika money.
Woche da e wo part bo.
Afafra.
Enti na wetimi aka no kora tira.
Empale me. So what ka be o de. Awanye no ye dia e baba so. E fa mo.
E ma so na. E ma so tsina.
Rene ma.
O se te ya.
No, baba.
What? Did this I gigi. I mean, there was boy from a Berman. But Berman and Joe Shana bro. What?
Then one is said. Let me say.
I want me penny bush and I walk in the house. Walk with you.
Come here,
meet sir. Yanim dia baye
mate
se ye boni tu a e na ban frɛ ye ye twitwa no a ɛne asi moja ba
na dia ba kire wa guda wa
akotanti wusi we ugo twawan u filim ko ma betra kunyam atwere banti ngwa ye di wanya grande twɛn
e ko twitwa obi akonta
yo me dia
ɛne me nyam
na suwa wie ye
ususu
wuti o kim wo yiri do ye wo
ususu da
me na musuma wa na ne wanya grande wo be jana
onam ana wo tenten mitihwe mu na ye
mate why
Unam ana wo ten.
Why are there?
Mpabo anu fa atum.
Yo.
Usususu wa wi ye.
Yo.
Sisi de 9 months mo na wo no. Ti ya menya de pia e dia. E ha bi. Na kala so keka kama de.
Ma. Ese ntimi ponda.
Ana wo what say na na. Be fine, be come. Why?
Ma.
Enya sam bitu sa leti. Tisa. Bram. Why?
Hi, darling.
Hey, Katina. Why now to say? That's
Nana was that on the show.
Nebusu men Kumano.
Really?
And the free subject could be a wit me.
Hey.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. What's all you okay?
That means winter.
Yes, I was a plan or the war hat shop on the one. But then, General, can you hear me? I'm sorry, I'm a body from come.
Yeah. Me, I guess scared with things like this.
Wait, you know the one.
Putting it to them.
Ouch!
So, is it kicking?
Of course, bring your hand.
Really? To what to?
Can you feel?
Oh. Jesus.
It's a she.
Yeah.
Can you feel her?
Ah.
Thank you.
This is good.
Let
me be Randy bad me na me no Jin party after I'm fear what you pa na me but please about what
sorry come on ready ya benedict cause was it you say na pin meeting what minute na we did say in Kafabwa but I say ana be ma so de ya na so bo wa no wa once I because we are one of Subanya and Mrs. Nantsa. What I say? Since I came in Kwama train there.
When him said the bit about a colano crana, me, say, I feel I'm a castle war, me, Timadia, Mubiakan, and say, I don't get it.
I was
not sound as well, I guess that would be it.
Yeah. I was born on the God, you will need your call. So, yeah,
hello. Alright. Macho you. Sir. Macho you. Metro is here, Macho. I'm with you, remember it's here, Macho. Maybe I don't know, Macho. Okay, bye. See you, welcome. Wow. Yeah, hey, I'm going inside. Let me pass out for any.
I'm not gonna find this.
So, Doc, how did it go?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Your wife has given birth to a bouncing baby boy.
It's a boy? I trust my skills, man. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I knew it. Yeah, so, and how's my mom doing?
It's unfortunate. She lost too much blood.
She lost too much blood? Yeah. And so, what is happening? Are you admitting them?
Sorry, she has expired. Yeah, I did the best that I could.
No, doctor, please. She has what? No, doc, no. You lost. No, doc. I thought this is the best place I could bring my wife. So how come?
Yeah, it is, but
no, but doc.
You know, it's unusual by the time.
No. Can I see her? Where is she? Can I see her?
You can't bounce.
No. But at least you should have done something. I trusted you. Doc, you can't tell me someone I ain't the best in Ghana. What happened? Huh? Fine, it's okay. I don't want to hear. No! Can I see my wife?
Calm down, please.
Samba, me huna kule papa da adenta.
Majana chi de mame. Ye nhwe kwan be fa so e be hwa kula ni ya na one de. Me fe no kura wo mfa. Di me majana chi de.
Se ai na fa no.
Ah, no de no na sa.
Oh,
majana chi de. Tu de yamon poison.
Hey. Hey, why ento? Awo ma ho. Swa my hey. Ye na dai akwala no kom na de no. Yes see the SM ni latoji ni kada wanim ni nua ya akọ.
Eh, wo bro. E dis what to we shop him. Kafra ate. Hey, oba wo bagaba so ho betwa. Na enya ade en. Na vi me.
Enya bema.
Bema. Oh. Me kra kwosua. You went to baby na putro. Nyina aduka daya. Na me ka so oba. Ene ka anya bia nka mo sebetre. Na ye die. Hoy. Awo me be ma mo ya akọ eja. Madam funi na matesa ni bewu. Nso me die ewu. Na kwan ya fa so de ono abekire omu.
Ake sa wo ba sa wo besre na so beche.
Oh, me besre wo say. Ah. Me hunu se de sitie emu oye o wa na ameboa. Emu nya ya. Se emu oya.
Emu oya se mo konsu
ni amatete. Tie nyina ye gira kwankoro.
To beche obi ni asomade ante se.
Yankopon nya bolega o. Yankopon onye lefty. So what say? Shino subiem. Na be ma no ante se wato wiram.
Anu ya wasam.
E di se wato store me. Kafra wate.
O kese wo mu na ne de.
Ye wo bre. Wo su na da makura mo sreshi. Kapra mo watash. Me no mienu. Duka da ya. Boy. Ye, akwala oni mo hwe. Na mo agi na ni bre kwanso. Ya no no dwa ho na tete. We di so osu dwa ho. Kafra why? We ye friend ebuabo bridge. Nti ontimi nka.
Wa wi a wo de kwa.
Da bi mi wie.
Wa wi a.
Me ebo na ni mi wi a meda echi. Number sa ye remix. Ansa mekwa amako. Aniyama. Shino subio na me. Sa me ka kire wo. So the first one me do for wase. So wo kafia. Shino subio. Eyo. Emu yo. Dikakra fo bo won na so ye se pampers no boy ayedi. Milia. Na ye ndai. Je. Ekura ba konso di mi no. O je.
Unsa muade nka ho.
Ka obeso ya.
Unsa muade nka ho.
Ni pavone fo wudini. Me di se buabo. Awo, oni nya mentina. Di oba ye.
Am ka sa wo go.
Sa.
Am ka sa wo go.
Ni kai bia masamba. Ye na be bia store no.
No ye wasambe.
Anya sa kuma so fo ba ka se sisi ade. Aye mre. Onza. One lege. Lege swine.
Seriously, don't you don't come Matias? So I'm sure that's but you're right from me say Jimmy free. Part of free. A little part of Susan and Benjamin is so on an agri on a chinchina. And then I mean, let's not groom her a day. I don't want to become it.
Asamoah,
I know, Nkansah, I know. Randy. It's not about who and who, but the point is that I was so tears. I said, the iron that I was saying go to us and I'm making the amount because my name baby I'm misfortune to win every year day I buy it. Or some kutumbo was a panami good assessment of my life because about 1 year careful crowd, 1 year down I ground and it's too sure. I'm telling you. Because this short time, they want to come through Ghana saying an easy.
Papa, you won't be a train there. Won't be a train. I'll come out with Jamaica. I'll go down here.
They said they make a macro bad name. That's it. That's all. That's in a because right from day one, you've been there for me. You share with Juma, blah blah blah. If you buy near Mama put me now still put you on Mommy, Tiatem, you know what I mean? By you were a brother, you stood by me. I mean, sure. And yes, I make as I make on a miracle if you never, bro. Maybe stay in touch and where to the first name.
Well, when I walk on that room, I invite why? Oh, I got master plane for me through that. Yeah, medieval days.
And then,
tell him,